Hi everyone. So how is everyone doing here? So I think we saw the smileys. I think everyone is excited today. I understand that the purpose for you to be here is all the five reasons that you want to either secure a high-paying job, or maybe start a part-time gig, or maybe become a freelancer, or maybe just implement various digital marketing strategies in your own business, just not limited to digital marketing, also limited, also expanding it to marketing, okay, and so on. So purposes are various, but the objective is the same, that we all want to learn digital marketing, and we want to learn in today's session that we are going to learn how can we personalize our marketing campaigns to enhance the user experience. Ultimately, in today's world, everything is about user experience. So today in this workshop, what we are doing, we're trying to enhance the user experience, right? When everyone is asked that give your emojis, give your thumbs up, that's like personalization, right? If you're asking questions, so I address you my names. It's like personalization. Because why? Why I want to personalize my offerings to you? Because I want to deliver a enhanced customer experience. If the customer experience is high, everything is going to follow. Profitability, satisfaction, relationships, revenues, everything is going to fall in place. Okay. So we as marketer needs to fix the only one thing which is most important in this world is customer experience. If you talk about websites, apps, products, everyone is talking about enhancing the user experience, and that is the agenda for today. How do we leverage personalization for enhancing our user experience? Okay, so on that note, I welcome you to this session. Okay, so we are going to talk a lot about personalization. We'll also do a lot of hands-on. Okay, and definitely that's my promise to you, that you are going to have your own key takeaways. Okay, so on that note, welcome to the session. Well, thank you everyone. Okay, so Kelvin, Vaibhav, Pago, okay, then Galang, Rowena, okay, Tammy, Vincent, Roberto, Melissa, Naomi. Okay, wonderful. So wonderful for that warm welcome. David and Amanda, everyone. Okay. Okay, wonderful, Vincent. Sure. So now let us start sharing my screen. Hi, Galang. Okay, wonderful. So let me start sharing my screen. Okay, so before we actually begin the session, I would like to remind you of certain things. So, okay, so I'll also share my, what is called as my LinkedIn ID. Okay, so you can connect with me on my LinkedIn. Okay, feel free. I'll talk a lot about AI and digital marketing. Okay, so here's my LinkedIn ID for your reference. Now, before I begin the session, I wanted to ask you whether you can see the screen. I hope yes. Okay, wonderful. So a few ground rules I want to establish. So as we go along, I would request, okay, all of you to be on mute. I think you are on mute only. I need to give an access right. Apart from that, if you can turn on your camera, pretty much good for me as well, because I can also see you if you're comfortable. Okay, if you're not comfortable, that's fine. Third thing is be there till the end of the session. Why? Because, there are a lot of things we're going to talk about, and you're investing time, then invest time wholeheartedly. Okay. Today, we are going to have conceptual knowledge plus a little bit of hands-on. Tomorrow, it's going to be majorly hands-on. Okay. So today, we'll set up the base. We'll do certain hands-on. We'll set up the initial part of it, and then we'll take it forward, and we'll do a lot of hands-on tomorrow as well. Okay. In my session, all questions are good questions. There are no bad questions. There are no judgments, no bad questions. Okay. It's your time. It's my time. So feel free to interact with me. Feel free to put down your questions. If the question is pertaining to the topic we are talking about, I will take it then and there. If the question is out of the context, we will park it towards the end of the session, but we will make sure that we will answer all of your queries and questions. Just to reiterate, you will be getting your certificates, you'll be getting your attendance, you'll be getting these copies of the, what is called as the workshop automatically within 15 days on your email ID if you attend both the 2 days of the workshops. Okay. So, and so on. So I think there's a question by Toka Letiko. So you want to say something? I'm giving you access right. Please tell me. You want to talk something, or is it by mistake? Okay. So I think there's no response anyway. So let's move forward. Second. Okay. So now today we'll be talking about AI powered personalization. Okay. Now, can anyone tell me, where have you seen personalization in your real life? Okay, took a by mistake, not an issue. So where have you seen personalization in your real life? Give any example of any digital product that you've been using and you all use it. So any personalization example which you're seeing on a daily basis and you're using that product quite a lot. Facebook, okay, yes. Krisha, yes, Facebook is one of them. Chat GPT is not a personalized product. It will help you create personalization, shallow. Okay, so Chat GPT is going to help you create personalization, but it is not a product which is personalizing. Okay, it's a product which will help you create personalization. It will enable you. TikTok, wonderful. Social media apps, wonderful. Instagram, Twitter, IG, very nice. YouTube, right? So why I'm saying is Twitter. So let's talk about the best example I would say is Instagram, YouTube, okay, and Netflix. So if you, let's say we all do Netflixing, I watch certain genre of movies, certain language, certain actors. Once I finish my movie, it automatically suggests me based on your liking, this is what is recommended for you. So Netflix recommendation algorithm is powered by personalization. So based on Akram's choice, Akram's past behavior, Akram's past history, the kinds of genre, the kind of language, movies, the language of stars, the language of movies, themes he watches, it will propose me that kind of thing. And trust me, you will all agree that whatever it recommends, it generally gives us good, no, good, no, what we generally end up watching them and we are also satisfied, right? So Netflix, everyone agrees. Then you talk about YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, right? Let's say you're watching Instagram Reels. You watch it for 3 seconds. So there's a rule of 3 seconds. If you are not able to acquire the attention of your audience within the first 3 seconds, people will bypass. So you flick, then you stop scrolling. You look at a certain video. So let's say you're more interested in lifestyle, fashion, beauty, makeup. So you watch those videos. But suddenly a comedy or a politics video comes or a digital marketing video comes, you skip it or you dislike it. So algorithm is learning. It says, maybe Vincent loves fashion, apparels, lifestyle, but he does not like to watch politics, sports. So it, based on your watch preference, it will show you less and less of what you don't want to see and show you more and more of what you want to see, ultimately giving you a better user experience. The same with other social media platforms. So today is the world of personalization. Personalization, before we go ahead, personalization is data-driven. Personalization and customization. So customization is that I ask my users, let's say I'm a company selling Rolls Royce. Then I say, you can come to my website, you can customize your car. So your conscious input, okay, as a person is required. So you'll say, I want to choose this color of Rolls Royce, these seatings, Versace interiors, Tom Ford leathers, Hermes leather, okay, red color. So you customize your car. So conscious input of a person is required when you talk about customization. In personalization, howsoever, your conscious input is not required. At the back end, the algorithms, AI-powered algorithms are working. They understand that Akram likes this, Akram does not like this, Akram buys this, Akram does not buy this. So whatever he buys, show him more and more. Whatever he does not buy, show him less and less. So personalization happens automatically at scale without the user's conscious input. Okay. Housework customization requires users' conscious input. Okay. And so on. So let's move forward on that note. Everyone is coming along, guys. Everyone is able to follow me, understand what I'm trying to say. Any issues are you facing with respect to comprehension, tone, accent, or language? Concept is clear so far. Personalization and customization. Are we good? Perfect. So, okay, guys, I would request everyone to give me thumbs up, make use of those features, okay, and be techno savvy. Perfect. So thank you, Jason, for your response as well. So as you all know, so the rise of AI in marketing. So we all know that AI has been impacting every business, every vertical, but nothing like marketing. AI has been actually the most important use case of AI is in marketing, digital marketing, and product management. Okay. AI can help you actually enhance your customer engagement, which leads to better customer experience, which leads to more dollars and revenues, and ultimately gives you competitive edge over others. Okay. So AI tools are tools which actually leverage data, read through the data which is already existing, okay, interpret the data, create segments, and based on the segments, create content that is relevant to a one target segment in question, another content for another target question segment in question, third content for another third target question target segment in question. Now, for example, do we have delivery apps? Okay, all these delivery apps, let's say such as DoorDash, we have Zomato, right? So they track our user behavior, right? For example, if I order a lot of vegan foods, okay, Akram orders a lot of vegan foods. That means Zomato or DoorDash, Uber Eats, they know that Akram's choice is more on vegan food. He does not order veg. He does not order maybe veg, or veg is the broader category. Maybe he does not order non-veg at all. So it will never send me emailers or show me content initially with respect to non-veg, because that algorithm knows Akram and user personas like Akram, they buy vegan food. So they will send me emailers. They will show me social media posts about their vegan food and related stuff. If you are someone who's very fond of non-veg, I love non-veg though, okay, it will start showing you more and more content about non-veg. It will show you less content about veg. That is called as personalization, because it is trying to personalize the content as per your needs, affiliations, past data, past preferences, and wants. Okay. AI-enabled marketing obviously leads to personalization, which leads to enhanced customer experience. Okay, and so on. Now let us move forward. So what is personalization? As I told you, personalization is a data-driven, okay, AI-driven, data-driven process to customize and to personalize the content as the taste and preferences of the target audience. So as to deliver the brand message and deliver the right message to the right target audience at the right time in the right format, right? So for example, if Vincent loves to consume information in the form of a video, okay, he loves to consume information which is written in a funny tone. He loves to consume information which is less than 30 seconds long. He does not like to watch. He loves to watch snackable content, not a wide detailed view. All these things is being noted by these AI-based personalization algorithms. There are a lot of algorithms. There are a lot of tools, okay, which have those capabilities. If you implement it on your website, on your app, it will notice all those things and accordingly personalize the content offering directed towards Vincent. On the other hand, if there's Maria loves to write, loves to read long form content. She loves reading. She loves watching YouTube long form videos. Okay, so accordingly, the content for Maria, and she also wants to. She is more of a comedy person. She loves more serious content, which gives her value, real value. Okay, so the same content will be customized as per the Maria's needs and preferences. Welcome to the world of AI-enabled personalization, okay, which uses advanced AI technologies and machine learning algorithms to do the job. So we are not going into the backend. What is machine learning? What is LLMs? We'll not get into it, but we will talk about the application part of it. And that is what we are here. One of the benefits, as I already established, for AI algorithms is, once again, let me take a question by Vaibhav. Vaibhav says it means personalization works by user behavior, right? Wonderful, Vaibhav. Precisely. So personalization will observe your behavior, your past history, past data, and it will take a call. Okay. Let me take a few more chats. Okay, Vaibhav, I answered a question. Amanda says we will get the PDF document of this. Yes, you'll get, Amanda. Okay, you'll get this document. let us move forward. So what are the benefits of personalization before we get into it? So today we'll also see, I will try to, we'll go and create certain personalization using Copilot and ChatGPT. And tomorrow we'll also see how can we set up chatbot automation. So we'll create a chatbot, personalized chatbot. Okay, we'll learn how to develop a chatbot using ChatGPT, or maybe different tools are there. Okay, and we'll learn that. Today we'll also go and do some hands-on. And unfortunately, these personalization tools, which are AI enabled, such as the most important tool is Adobe Customer Experience Platform. But these all tools are paid. But I'll give you a list of all those tools which you can implement in your organization or in your entrepreneurship ventures, and I'll give you pros and cons. I'll give you certain idea, and so you have a list, so that if you want to develop personalization marketing strategy for your business, for your company you're working for, you can leverage those tools and actually create personalization. So before we delve into the hands-on, we will talk about the benefits of personalization. Okay, so personalization cuts through the noise. Of course, there's a lot of advertising clutter. Okay, if I show you Me Too content, the same content to everyone, there's nothing unique about it. I want to see what I want to see. If I'm interested in buying a car, I want to see a car of my choice, my taste, my preferences, not anything else. Okay, so I want to see personalized content. Personalization also leads to enhanced customer experience. We explained it also increases engagement. For example, you went to a e-commerce app, you added products to the cart, okay, but you didn't complete the purchase. Okay, next time I showed you the same ad whenever you were in Meta Properties or on Google, I showed you these are the items you are looking at. They are on extra 5% off. So you'll engage with my content because you have been looking and searching for those aspects across Google, and you went to my website and you added to the cart, but you did not complete the purchase. So it will increase engagement. It will also help you build customer loyalty, because obviously, if I am giving you a content, the feed, or maybe the blog post, articles, content which actually you want to read, you want to engage with, definitely you will be more engaged, you will be more loyal toward me as a company. You'll say this company actually understands my needs and preferences and curates the content as per my pain points. Okay, and ultimately all these things culminate into dollars and revenues for you as a company. Okay, so personalization is the game in today's world of digital marketing. Okay, so how does it work? Let us take example of Carrie. So Carrie, let's say Carrie is a Seattle-based middle-aged shopper who's looking for the best offers on fashionable athletic gear. Okay, so she's someone who shops athletic gear, then she's a fitness enthusiast, and she's middle-aged woman who's living in US, okay, and looking for fashionable athletic gear. Now, first of all, as Carrie will move across websites, let's say you are a brand, okay, you have a website. If she discovers your website through various SEO, paid ads, social media ads, and they come to your website will have data collection tools such as Google Analytics, Hotjar, Bing Analytics, okay, Amplitude. If you are Amplitude and Mixpanel are app-based analytics platform, you will collect the data. Metapixel, Facebook, LinkedIn Pixel, Twitter Pixel. These all will help you collect data about who is visiting a website, what they are doing, how much time they're spending on a website, what products they are checking, and all these reports can be seen on your Google Analytics platform. Okay, has everyone seen Google Analytics? Have you seen Google Analytics? How does it look like? Okay, so let me show you how does Google Analytics look like. If I go here, analytics.google.com. So I've already integrated analytics, okay, with my website. Okay, so I have a website, akramali.com and theeasywisdom.com, which is a content website. Both the websites have analytics platform integrated. This is my personal website and this is my content website. Okay, so this website, I get more than 90,000 people visiting on a monthly basis from Google Organic. I have integrated Google Analytics. So this is my Google Analytics. You can see how many visitors visited in last 7 days. Okay, what are they doing? I can go ahead and see in the reports. Okay, so I'm collecting data. Why I'm collecting data? You can see so many users, where they are coming. You can see from they are coming from direct sources. That means they're directly typing my name. They're coming from organic search. They're coming from referrals, paid search, organic social. Okay, where they're coming from: Poland, India, United States, okay, China, Germany, okay. What are they doing? You can see. So everything is what pages they are visiting. You can see, okay. How much time they're spending. Everything is seen here. And I can also show you their demographics. Who are they? Who are these people? Coming from United States, primarily Canada, India, China, okay. And you can see what are they doing? What is the age group? Okay. I can also see. Okay, let me show you. So you can see which city, what is the age, what is the gender to male to female ratio, what is the interest. I am using this data to create segments. Then I go to audiences. Okay. Audiences says these are the audiences who are coming. So you can see all users, one segment, non-purchasers, those who came to a website did not purchase. Recently active users, those people who visited my website recently. Third segment, fourth segment, likely 7-day purchasers, those people who visited my website and who are likely to purchase from my website in the next 7 days. Okay. People who are engaged. Can you see this predicted 28-day top vendors? So this is what segments. Segmentation becomes a premise for personalization. So I can say, I want to target those segments who are purchasing my product. So I can sell them, send them an ad. I can show them an ad who purchase my product, and I can show them, since you purchase my product, you are eligible for 10% loyalty discount. People who are predicted 28 shoppers, I will show them a different ad. Those who are engaged users, I will show them a different ad. So you can see segmentation became a premises for personalization, and these analytics sources, these data collection sources will create segmentation for you. They're intelligent, AI enabled. You can see top spenders, top 5% of the users. So that means it has created a segment which says these are the people who are top 5% spenders on your website. So you need to give them, because they're top 5 spenders, you need to give them some kind of discount and loyalty bonus. So personalized content for you, right? Similarly, so what we do is we collect the data. Kerry visited my website. I collected the data. I created a segment. Kerry, like you. It's an anonymous data. It's not, I'll not get to know who is visiting, what her age is. But it will show you this is a segment which is like Kerry. This is their demographic. This is psychographic. This is their behavior. This is their interest. This is where they come from. This is what their age range is. Okay. This is anonymous data. Okay. At scale. So I'll understand their purchase history, demographic information, social media activity, okay, and so on. So these are the tools. There's another tool called as Clay. Okay. Clay is a tool which combines data from various data sources. So if you have like Google Analytics, Hotjar, Facebook Metapixel, I'll also show you data from Facebook. So let me take you to Facebook. Okay. So if I take you to Facebook, so I've integrated Facebook Pixel on my website. Okay. Then I go to Meta Business Suite that we are not talking about today because that's a different topic. Then you go to Meta Business Suite. Okay. This is my Meta Business Suite. I can see my insights. So you can see, view all insights. So what is my reach? What is my followers? Link clicks, minute views, everything. Okay. I can also see audiences. Who are they? What is the age range? What is the Instagram? Okay. What is the audiences? And so on. You can see where they're coming from. You can see which cities they're coming from. Okay. What are the top cities? What are the top countries? And so on. Right. So this will give me a lot of data. Now I have one data from here. I have data Google Analytics. So Clay is a tool which will help you, combine. So it's a paid tool. Okay. Which will help combine the data feeds. So it will collect all the data from various places, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, okay, Google, Bing, and it will synchronize the data and it will tell you if Kerry came to your website through Twitter ads, she didn't buy. Then she directly came from a website through emails that you sent. She didn't buy. When she came directly through, let's say, SEO, she bought it. So it is tracking all the things. It will unify all the data and it will give you much more personalized. Then you will get, she believes in SEO more. So show her more content, which is organically ranking. She does not believe in paid content. Okay. So Clay, you can see there's a tool called as Clay. It's a paid tool. You should note it down for your reference. Okay. This important collection tools, Bing Analytics, Hotjar, and so on. Okay. So it will help you collect data from various sources. unify the data, map the entire customer journey. Okay, so it will help you map the entire customer journey into one place so that you have a integrated picture of what your users are doing. I'll also show you Hotjar. Not Hotstar, it's Hotjar. Hotjar is the analytics tool which collects a lot of data from your website. Now, this tool, unlike Google Analytics, what it does it okay, what it does it, so collects the data, okay, which is a qualitative data. In a way, it will tell you where people are clicking on your website and what are they doing. So it will actually record the sessions. So Google, which is quantitative, this Hotjar is another tool which you can use to collect data, which is qualitative data. Qualitative data means it will give you heat maps. Okay, heat map shows where are people clicking. So let me show you what are heat maps. I hope I am audible and visible. Is my voice? Everyone, let me know. Okay. Yes or no, guys? Am I audible? Am I visible? Any roadblocks are you facing in terms of? Okay, perfect. So I'll show you this like a this like heat map. Okay, let's say I'm a website. Okay, so I can see. Let me show you a better heat map. Website heat map. Okay, so this is a website. Let's say this is Guardian. Okay. Okay, where's the heat map? Let me go back. Here's the, okay. So you can see if I increase this. So I can see people are clicking most here. Less people are clicking. So darker red are the places where people are clicking. Okay. These yellow places are where people are clicking lesser. Green places are people are clicking. So we can see the most important place people are clicking is here. So it is imperative for me to place the most important content here. Most important call to action or more about a piece of content, or if I'm launching a product, more people are clicking here. Okay, so I need to place all my important content here. So this is a heat map, which is given by Hotjar as a tool. Okay, there are a lot of other tools also like MS Clarity, and there are a lot of other tools also which you can use. It also shows you session recordings. So that means why I'm doing session recording, I can understand what people are doing on my website. So that I understand the user behavior. Okay, what a person is doing on my website. So one is heat map. Let me show you heat maps. Okay, there's a question by which of these data collecting tools do you recommend the most? The most important tool which you can use it, Google Analytics, GA4. Okay, so GA4, I'll just type it down, GA4, use this, and Hotjar, or Hotjar, yes. These two combined, I think we are good to go. So you can see, it gives me a lot of data, but I go to what is called as heat maps. So the more data you have, the more better the heat map. So it's a free version which I'm using. Okay, that's why it has low traffic coverage. It only shows you data of last 1 week. Otherwise, if you put a paid version, it will show you data of last 1 year and it will accumulate 10. So you can see people are clicking here, people are clicking here, people are clicking here, people are clicking here, people are clicking. So you can see where people are clicking. People are clicking here. Okay, so you can get to understand, oh, people are also clicking here, right? You can also see recordings. So you go to recordings. Okay. And when you see recordings, you understand that what people are doing on my website. Let's say somebody came to my website from United Kingdom. They spent around 4 minutes, 48 seconds. Okay. And they were reading an article called as Love Bombing. They came from Bing. Okay. The browser was Microsoft Edge and desktop. Everything is given to me. And then I see it here. Okay. And you can see the recordings. Actually, what the user is doing on my website. You can see. Okay, so this is actual session recording, right? All these tools, okay? So will help you. So I'm not getting into detail, but this all is giving me a lot of insights about my user behavior. When I understand user behavior, I can leverage AI tools and actually give them a more targeted campaigns. Okay. Had it been my payment page, I realized that this page is leading to a lot of bounce rates. Then I actually see the recording and say where my target audience are feeling trouble. If they're feeling a lot of trouble in this page, okay, there's a lot of bounce rate. Let's say bounce rate is 90%, then I need to fix it. Okay. So Google Analytics will give me data about the bounce rate is 90%. But what's the problem? I can see and look at the problem. Oh, this is the problem. There's a bug issue, or there's a payment issue, or whatsoever. Okay. And so on. So it's not scary. Okay. It's not scary, Gabriel, because it cannot be never be scary. It's anonymous data. Nobody knows who is doing what. It never shows that it's Gabriel doing it. It shows it's someone from this and this city of this and this profile has done it. It's anonymous. It's not scary. Okay. So let's move forward so you can collect the data. One second. There's a lot of noise. Is this no, it's free of cost, LEC. Okay. So you can try this without any, you can free of cost. Okay. These tools, yes, sometimes they slow your website, but that is something a trade-off that you want to do. So all the codes, the more codes you place on a website, the more they will slow it down. However, you can compromise a little bit of performance for user insights. So it just slows down, so you can install plugins which make the system faster. Okay, and so on. Let's move forward. So once you collected data about Kerry, okay, 1 second. So once you collected data about Kerry, okay, so what you will do is you will move forward and then you will say second stage is 1 second. So you collected the data, okay, then you did the data analysis. So now data analysis is being automatically done by Google Analytics, Hotjar, all the tools they do also data analysis. But there's also a tool called as Julius AI, which analyzes, visualizes complex data, okay, in a user-friendly manner. In a paid tool, GA4 also visualizes data. So I showed you. So I can go to Google Analytics 4, okay, and I say, let's say I go here. I go to this. Okay, so I say AI-enabled feature. Let's say traffic analysis, or maybe user acquisition. How many users from uploading search in last 30 days? You ask this question, it will give you answers. 6.1 thousand. Okay, or maybe I'm going to say, okay, so let's say demographics. What countries do my users come from? So these are like AI-based insights. You can see United States, Canada, and so on. And data visualization is also there. See, there's a user behavior. Okay, data visualization is completely there. So you can visualize the data from here. Then there's a tool called as Julius AI. Okay, again, a paid tool. Okay, so make note of this tool, Julius AI, which will help you, visualize data like this. So this is more advanced, interpretation. Those people who into data science, those people who know how to visualize the data, interpret the data, they'll be using it. So it says give you insights, advanced analytics, even if you have any problems. So you can say that my target audience of certain age and demography come from this and this place, but they do not buy. Okay, so they will do certain kind of algorithm. They'll predict you that this is what you can do. They'll generate reports and so on. So it's a very intelligent tool, Julius AI. Again, a paid tool, very expensive one. The use cases for small to medium to big scale organizations. Okay, so you can use this tool, right? Also, otherwise, you can also use a tool called Exploding Topics. Okay, Exploding Topics is a tool which will help you understand what topics are trending in the market. Okay, see, you have a lot of data about Kerry who visited my website, you collected data, but you also want to understand people like Kerry, what are they searching? What is that topic which is trending, which might appeal to them? And I would create content and serve them personalized content. You could go to Exploring Topic, okay, and you can actually search what is trending in the industry, okay, how much people are searching for it, and so on. So let's say loop earplugs. If I'm an electronics company, so people are searching for loop earplugs. 550K people are searching on a monthly basis for this particular keyword. And if your company which is selling headphones, AirPods, why don't you create a content or a product like this and tap on the trend, right? So what people are searching? AI logo generator, AI image enhancer. If you're a company which is a B2B SaaS company and you're into AI tools for designing. So why can't you integrate AI image enhancer into your product? Okay. Serve content which is personalized to the people who are searching for it. Okay, and so on. So this tool will give you a lot of idea about what people are searching, how much is the trend, what people are liking about it, and to what user persona you can serve it. Okay, so this tool will also give you a lot of answer about data analysis. There's another tool called as Microsoft Power BI, MS Power BI, which I also take sessions with Zoltius in AIDM course, which is uh, you know AI enabled digital marketing course, whereby we take up Microsoft BI, GA4 one sessions for each of them. Okay. In today's session, we are not getting into detail for those things because those are like very advanced topics and they need uh, dedicated hours for understanding them. Okay. Now the third stage is, let's say Kerry, you collect the data about Kerry. She visited your website, you analyze the data, and then you will personalize the data, right? Product station, whatever product she's visiting, she's seeing on my website, whatever topic she's searching on Google, okay, whatever platform she's using, YouTube, Instagram, if she's available on TikTok and Snapchat, and she's not available on maybe LinkedIn, on maybe Twitter. So what is the point creating content on Twitter? Because I want to target people who have a user personas on TikTok. So I will go and create content for TikTok. And accordingly, and I think that Kerry bought from my website when we were running 30% off. Otherwise, she never bought. So I understand that Kerry is a person who will only buy when we offer some discount. So I will personalize my offer based on data collection and analysis and offer her discounts. And she will buy again. Either we can do it manually or automate certain part of it using ChatGPT and all those things, or we can integrate tools like Adobe Experience Cloud, okay, which will automatically collect the data, understand the user behavior, and automatically create content. And when you visit my website, okay, let's say you are a person who visits my website and you generally buy men's t-shirt, red color t-shirt, blue color t-shirt more, it will automatically understand, oh, Kerry is visiting. Kerry generally searches on this website mainly for blue color, red color t-shirts, red color shoes. So show her content which is red color, where all the collection which is red color. Automatically it will create landing page based on the who is visiting. If Akram visits, Akram generally searches for white, blue, or pink, maybe my favorite color pink, or maybe yellow. Okay, I like it. So they will show me all the collection which are yellow in color, so that, or maybe based on my product performance. Akram generally buys high value items. Akram generally buys low value items. So based on that, it will like this Adobe Experience Cloud is the best tool you can ever have for personalization. Okay, it will automatically personalize the content based on your choice. Okay, so if I take you to Adobe Experience Cloud, again it's a paid tool. You need to, it's a very expensive tool. Okay, so you need to integrate this tool with what call as with your website, with your CRM, customer relationship management system, with your website. Okay, and what is called as no app. So anyone who's coming on your website, it will understand the behavior, understand the data, understand if Kerry is visiting, it is her liking. If Samantha is visiting, it is her liking. If Akram is visiting, this is his choices. So accordingly, customize and deliver personalized content based on the website to the audience who is visiting. So, okay, it will automatically create content and produce in front of you. So what it does it do? So it has a content management system. That means you can upload content and you can target people. Let's say you want to target people who are of a certain persona, certain lifestyle, and when they visit your website, you want them to show this page of the content. Let's say a person who is visiting your website and who are engaged shoppers, who are into lifestyle products, and they are more of a impulsive buyers. You created a segment. This content management system, you will configure it. It will automatically, as soon as someone who belongs to that category will visit my website, it will automatically curate the content and customize the content as per their needs and serve that page of the content. If let's say Samantha comes, Samantha is someone who is a sales buyer, who is a very picky buyer, who buys less value ticket items, who buys on discounts. So as soon as they visited, this content management system will serve a different version of the page, which will be talking about the sales, discounts, offers, deals we have. If Akram visits, Akram is probably not a buyer. Akram loves to read blog on your website. Generally does not buy. Generally comes to your website not for buying, just for maybe understanding the content, maybe reading, knowledge gaining. As soon as I visit, it will it will try to show me a version of the web page which will talk about tutorials, how to help, or maybe if you are a person who has bought their product. Okay, let's say you bought their software. Let's say they are a software company, and then you have already bought a product. So it will create you a persona. Let's say these are people who already bought my product, and they are visiting my website to get a demo of my product or a troubleshoot. Okay, accordingly, it will curate the content. It will serve you the page that this is the product demo, this is the tutorial videos, and so on. Okay, similarly, it will also help you manage your assets. That means it will help you create designs, okay, banners, thumbnails on your website. So it will automatically, for example, if I'm visiting, let's say if you're visiting my website, okay, like this, let it load. Okay, let's say like this. So you can see my face. Had it been a B2B company, B2B SaaS company, okay, it will show you some other banner based on your liking. If someone else visits, it will show you some other banner based on your liking. Or if this is the content website which I have, the easywisdom.com, okay, it will show me a collection of articles on the homepage based on my readership. But if you visit, if I've integrated customer experience platform by Adobe, let's say I write a lot about LGBTQ topics. Let's say you're part of member of a LGBTQ community. Okay, it will start showing you all the topics related because they think that you are a cohort which is no, you are a segment which is more into reading about LGBTQ issues, or maybe you're someone who has gone through some relationship issues. So you come to a website and you come to a section called as relationships. So based on the past behavior, it will show you relationship first because that is the way it is programmed. Okay, guys, give me 1 second. Okay, just give me 1 second. Huh? I just want to have water. Just guys, just give me 1 minute. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, so sorry for this trouble. Okay, Melissa, you will get certificates. Definitely yes. Okay, I'm just making an important payment, guys. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Huh? Okay, guys, sorry. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so now, so let us talk about another part. Okay, so Adobe Experience Cloud. So we'll talk about Adobe Experience Cloud. Let's go back again. Okay, so again, you can see additional experience manager product. You can see it can help you create forms, okay, and collect your data, your feedback, collect your data. It will also create automatic digital guides. Okay, if you have a lot of documentations, collaterals, product demo collaterals, okay, it will automatically create guides and publish the content for the user. If you realize a lot of people are coming on a website and they're searching for, I developed this problem with no, with your product, how to solve this, and they say it realizes that a lot of people are searching on a website. It will automatically create a guide on that and it will publish on the website, so that, and will integrate with the chatbot, so that if you come, you type that query, it will say this is the helpful resource that you can. So it is a end-to-end expensive product, but end-to-end personalization tool which will enhance the user experience. Don't you think if this is implemented in your website, in your content, okay, no, don't you think it is going to enhance your customer experience and it will lead to better customer experience, engagement, and revenues? Do you agree or not? Yes or no? Everyone is sleeping. Lullaby is going on. Yes or no? Okay, okay. Vincent says yes. Lullaby is going on. Huh, Vincent? Okay. 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 And any guys, are you enjoying? Oh, everyone is alive. Naomi says we are here, and Vaibhav says we are alive. Wonderful. Okay. I don't want to, make you sleep. So let me know if you're sleeping. Okay. Another thing is, there's also a tool called as Use Insider. We'll talk about VWO and AQLift. Okay. Maybe in tomorrow's session. AQLift. Well, I'll tell you how it is good for kernel personalization. Certain tools I'll talk about today. Certain tool I'll talk about in tomorrow's session. Okay. So there's another tool called as User Insider. Use Insider. Okay. This is again a cross-channel customer experience platform. That means cross-channel means if you're sending them emails, Instagram, TikTok, website, WhatsApp, app, or maybe any other channel. Okay, it will collect the data from, it will integrate with all of the data and it will create a user journey of you. It will map it in one place. It will monitor your behavior. If Akram discovered your company on Twitter X, he clicked, came to your website, and didn't buy. Then he got you discovered through email and he came and buy. Okay. So what did he buy? So it will map it entirely. Or you came through a mobile, you came through my website directly, you bought the product. Okay. Then you went ahead and you were doing Instagram, you were just doing Instagram, watching reels. And you logged in through your email ID. It will interact, it will say Akram, who came to your website, is also present on Instagram through this email ID. It will unify the data so that you get a better picture of what is happening. You can create a user personas, which is 360-degree platform. These are data management platforms, which will help you. These are MarkTech. These are called as MarkTechs, marketing technologies. Okay, AI-enabled MarkTechs. So it will integrate all the data, unify the data, give you a single source of truth. Right? So you can use this again. It's a paid tool. You can get a demo and you can demonstrate whenever you are interested in. Okay. These are the tools which you can see. Nike, Adidas, Naked, that's not Nike, Naked, Adidas. These companies are using these tools to actually enhance the user journey. You can see unify customer data. So somebody came from app, somebody came from website, somebody came from social media. It mapped all their attributes, their mobile, their phone numbers, their product preferences, their user demographics, what buttons they are clicking, where they are shopping. You are being tracked. Okay. Then based on that, it will take a decision. Personalization. Okay. It will personalize the feed for you. So dynamic content, which will serve to you based on your past behavior. Okay. Then it will also, personalize the content. It will recommend the right content to you based on needs, and it will build inbuilt stories like user stories. And see, storytelling becomes a framework for any content marketing, right? So it will give you engaging stories. How Ria from Philippines was able to enhance her, productivity by using our tool based on your understanding, based on your user profiling. Okay. Then it will use our tool called as Cirrus AI, okay, Serious AI, which is based on predictive AI, conversational AI, and generative basis AI enabled model. Okay. And then it will integrate with experience platforms. Okay. It will create good experience on website, an app, when you are searching on Google, email, okay, TikTok, and everywhere. It will integrate and it will give you recommended search engines through ads. So let's say I saw Kerry, who belong to certain user personas. Okay. She generally buys on sales. She generally buys high value items, but buys on sales. Okay. She looks for deals and discounts. The data was unified here, given to this platform. Okay. Now it will personalized whenever she visited my websites. Okay. This decision engine is used, and content is personalized and recommendation is made. And stories are presented. Whenever she comes on my app, this engine is used to hyper-personalize the contest. Similarly, when we send an email, it will automatically send an email based on the decision engine. When you are on TikTok, on Facebook, whenever I want to show you ads, it will automatically create an ad based on decision engine, based on your liking. For example, she loves deals and discounts, so she'll be given an ad copy which says, buy now 30% off site-wide, or 30% off for you, especially for you, use the code so and so. But let's say Vaibhav is there. Vaibhav generally does not care about deals and discount. He loves the product, he buys it. So decision engine will say, do not serve him personalized content related to deals and discount. Maybe serve him more content which is solving his pain points. So whenever Vaibhav is on, let's say, Instagram, he will be shown an ad copy, maybe for the same product, which Kerry was being shown, but the narrative of that copy is different. And it says how our product helps you solve your pain point. Okay, and so on. So is it clear so far? Are we getting it? Okay. And you can see it will give you all the analytics, ROI dashboard, user analytics, channel analytics, campaign analytics. Campaign means paid campaigns. Channel means Instagram is performing for you better, or TikTok or website or email. User analytics means which user segment is actually giving you better results. And ROI dashboard, which segment is bringing you what kind of ROI. Okay. So it's a very good tool. You can use it. Okay. And so on. Let's move forward. Are we going a little heavy? Everyone is coming along, right? I think we are good, right? Okay. Do let me know if you're facing any issues, any troubles. Feel free. Okay. So there's a question by anonymous attendee that says, how do cookies work? Cookies help in personalization. Okay. How does cookie work? I'll tell you. Let's say anonymous attendee visited my website. I have installed Metapixel. You can see Google and see Metapixel is installed. Facebook Pixel and Instagram Pixel is installed. That is collecting data. So if I take you to, oh, I was taking you to Facebook also. Sorry, I forgot. Okay. So I go to Meta Business Suite. Okay. I've installed Metapixel. Okay. So when I went to install, so I go to a tool called as Events Manager. Okay. Now, whatever is being done on my website is being tracked on Meta, as in Facebook and Instagram and WhatsApp. Meta properties are Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. You can see the Easy Wisdom Pixel is installed and it is active and it is sending data in the real time. You can see. You can see how many people visited a page. 5.2K events in the last 21 minutes from my website. How many people clicked my contact button? 36 people clicked on my contact. Had it been, let's say, buy t-shirts, how many people bought my t-shirt? How many people bought my new collection? How many people bought my Christmas collection? It will all show it here. View content, subscribe. How many people subscribed in the last 5 days? 8 people subscribed. How many leads did I get in the last 5 days? 19. 19 days ago, 5 leads I get. Okay. So this is installed by, so what it does it. So what I've done is I have a website, understand the entire ecosystem. This is a website, the easywisdom.com or any website. Okay. I have Google Analytics, GA4. Okay. Then I have Meta. Then I have TikTok. Then I have Twitter X, Pinterest. Every platform is different. Okay. I created there's a code called a GA4 tracking code. I picked it up and installed it here on my website. I created events, Metapixel. I installed it here on my website. Then I wanted to tag people on my LinkedIn. I went to LinkedIn Campaign Manager, create a code, place on my website. I have placed, let's say, 3 codes. Now let's say anonymous attendee visits my website. Okay. Or Weber visits my website. Okay. Through, let's say, Chrome browser or any browser. I will, this Google Analytics, Metapixel, LinkedIn Insight tag will drop a cookie in your browser. It is tracking what you did on my website. And now it is also tracking where are you going, what are you searching, until unless you clear your cookies. If you can clear cookies, that's fine. Otherwise, if I stop cookie in your browser, it happens within seconds, a fraction of seconds. Now, wherever you go, I can set up and I can retarget you. So you would have seen, if you add products to start off, if you visit any website, if you start talking about any product, ads will start appearing on LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook. Anywhere you go, the ads follow you. Have you seen that? That's called as retargeting, and that is possible via cookies. Again, a form of a personalization. I am showing you ad based on your previous interaction with my business. If you're interested in Christmas collection, you visited my website on a Christmas collection page, I dropped a cookie in a browser, and everywhere you'll go, I can show you my Christmas collection page. Personalization. Is it clear? How does cookies work? Metapixel is nothing but a code which you create. So you go to this case, you can create a, you can go ahead and say, I want to create a website metapixel. You create a website metapixel, it will say create the metapixel, pick it up and place it on a website. And that is not an agenda for today, so we are not talking about it. This is Meta is a different platform, LinkedIn is a different platform, website is a different platform, Google Analytics is a different platform. So how do you connect your website with these platforms? So you need to pick up their code and place it on a website. Then only it will enable data collection. It's a data collection method. So either you can collect data through this, or you can create an API, application programming interface. Okay, now let's move forward. Okay, so based on our Carrie's interactions, content was personalized. Okay, and then based on your real-time actions, okay, she did buy, she didn't buy, she added to the cart, she did that thing, and accordingly I will personalize the content, and I will optimize and monitor your performance and keep on personalizing the content based on changing preferences. Earlier you used to buy a Christmas collection, now Christmas is over, now you're buying spring collection. So I would say Carrie is not interested in buying spring collection, so focus more on spring collection. So it's real-time adaptation. Okay, so this is the entire ecosystem. Okay, yes, so Francis, correct. So we are combining all them into our website, because website is our primary place of business. If I integrate with Facebook, will not give me access at the back end. Only website and my app is my primary place of business. That is my primary digital property, and so on. Okay, and so let's move forward. Vaibhav says, may I know how WhatsApp generates money? WhatsApp generates money through, obviously there's a Meta platform, through data, through WhatsApp Pay, through WhatsApp Business, through WhatsApp channels, and okay, guys, 1 second, let me have water. Okay, guys, so I think I have answered all the questions. Okay, any question which is left unanswered? Elisa, okay, LC says, how hope this can increase viewers and enhance my reels. See, reels engagement strategy, that's a part of social media marketing, AI-enabled social marketing that we talk about in AIDM sessions. Okay, once you join those sessions, you will get to know about Reels mastery, Reels growth strategy. We'll talk about those things, but not today. So pardon me for today, LC. Okay, but we'll talk about it in those sessions. This is not the agenda. Otherwise, we'll not be able to cover the agenda for today. Okay, let's move forward. So let's move forward. Okay, now you can see Starbucks. Starbucks personalizes the thing. Netflix personalizes. Spotify personalizes. You can see open Spotify. You, let's say, you created a playlist. Okay, you listen to hip hop, metal, hard metal. Okay, next time it will suggest you more and more content related to what you hear. When you create a playlist, let's say you are on desktop, you were listening to music, then you paused your music. Let's say you were listening to Madonna. Okay, Madonna, let's say Girl Gone Wild song. You pause it and you went to the gym and you opened your phone, opened your Spotify, and it will resume from there only. Right? So this is again a personalization, multi-channel or omni-channel personalization. Or maybe if you developed a problem in Amazon, you buy from Amazon, you wanted to return a product. You reach out to their customer support through their website. The next day you were traveling, you will take a follow-up. You call them through mobile phone and they will immediately track that, oh yes, this person lodged a complaint previously. You need not explain the entire case again. Maybe it was not solved. You open the app, you lodge the complaint, you again open the complaint, and it will get to know your complaint has been launched since 3 days back. You also called yesterday, and today also you're calling. This is the update. So everything is unified. Again, it is giving you personalized experience. That means you are heard of. You understand that, yes, this is giving me omni-channel marketing, personalization. Again, it will enhance your user experience. It will help you be satisfied with the experience and do more and more business with the company which is giving you personalized experiences. Okay, now let us get into the hands-on part. Okay, let us say you want to create personalization using ChatGPT and Copilot. Okay, everyone uses ChatGPT here. Yes or no? Okay. So today what we'll do is we'll not, so ChatGPT comes in two versions, ChatGPT 3.5 and ChatGPT 4. ChatGPT 4 is a paid tool which is also powered by Dell E. Dell E is the text to image generation tool. Okay. So I don't have paid subscription to ChatGPT 4, but I still want to use ChatGPT 4 free of cost. So how do I use it? I go to Copilot. Okay. Web uses Gemini. But trust me, I love ChatGPT or Copilot. I love Copilot. Okay. And Gemini is also good. I'm not saying anything against it, but Copilot, I really love it. Copilot is by Bing. Okay. It's a Bing integrated tool. It's a AI-enabled tool, large language model, generative AI, powered by ChatGPT 4 and Dell E. So you can use ChatGPT 4 and Dell E free of cost using Copilot. Did you know this? Yes or no? So you need not pay money for ChatGPT 4. Okay. So let's take you to Copilot. So what you need to do is, first of all, open your Bing. Okay. Go to bing.com. Those in US might be using Bing or Google. So go to bing.com. When you go to bing.com, you can see Copilot. Click Copilot. This is a tool, okay, which is with ChatGPT. You can see Pro, we are not required. You can see more creative. Choose the mode as more creative mode. Okay. And voila, you have access to what is called a ChatGPT 4. Okay. Now let us say, let me give you a use case. Let's say you are a digital marketing manager for a company. Okay. You want to create personalized experiences for your target audience. You're a digital marketing manager for an e-commerce company selling luxury perfumes called as Done X Fears. Hypothetical situation. Okay. So how do we create personalized experiences? So we can use ChatGPT or any LLM model or Gemini or Copilot, which I prefer, okay, to create personalized content and increase the customer engagement. So you can actually, first of all, understand your product. You can create user personas. When you create user personas, each user persona has a different lifestyle profile, different motivation, different goals, different pain points. For example, let's say I'm a airline, let's say Air Asia, or let's say, let's say another airline, let's say Virgin, okay, or maybe let's say Air India. I'm from India, so Air India. Air India is a full cost airline, okay, or Emirates. Emirates is a full cost airline. Now Emirates would have multiple target segments. So their target audience is everyone who wants to fly from point A to point B, okay, but their target audience can be divided into multiple segments. So your entire market, how do it work is, so let's say I'm a company, Emirates, okay, or maybe let me take you to Excel. That will make it much more clear. Okay. So if I take you to Excel and I increase the amount. So let's say I'm a company, Emirates. Okay. Target audience is, let's say, people who want to travel from point A to point B, wherever our services are being offered, assuming those things. Now, target audience is a very big target audience. My target audience has different pain points. So actually, we need to do segmentation. We need to segmentation because it will lead to personalization. Okay. Every person who wants to travel from travel A to travel B is a very wide segment. How do we curate? So our value proposition towards this segment cannot be anything which is curated over every. We cannot please everyone. So we need to create segments. So we say segment 1 is, let's say, business flyers. Okay, business flyers. Spelling is wrong. Segment 2 is, let's say, students who are going to different country for studying. Segment 3 are people who are, let's say, travelers or maybe honeymooners, newly married couples. Segment 4, families. Why not? Okay. Segment 5 could be solo travelers, and so on. Okay. Now you can see all of them are belonging to my target audience who want to travel from point A to point B. But every target audience, okay, is relatively homogeneous within and heterogeneous among themselves. So this segment is different than this segment. This segment is different than this segment. But all the people belong to segment 1 have certain characteristics which are in common. Now all the business, so we'll create user personas. So when we define, we'll create user personas. Okay. So user persona of segment 1 would be, let's say, Bob, CEO. Okay. What is the motivation? To reach another destination as soon as possible without having to worry about luggage. So he does not need luggage space. He wants quick check-in, check-out, priority boarding, business class. A student, on the other hand, let's say Vaibhav, or let's say Vineet, student, okay, wants to study MBA from US Stanford University. Okay, his motivation is to reach the country with as much luggage as possible, because you students carry a lot of luggage. So when I went to US for my studies, for my MBA, okay, so when I went from India through Lufthansa, okay, I got 60 kgs additional luggage as a student, free of cost, because I was just a student. That was a value proposition. That is why I chose Lufthansa over British Airways or over Virgin Atlantic or over US Airways or maybe Air India. Similarly, different honeymooners, they want some different thing, maybe business class or maybe first class, or maybe tie up with the hotel, good feeling, cake cutting, wine opening, all those things should be integrated in their journey. Okay, families would have a different need. And so when I created segments, then my ad copy will be different. So my ad copy here would be showing businessmen who will be traveling, suited, booted, okay, belonging to my persona. Okay, and I will target them with an ad copy saying that priority check-in, priority checkout, okay, and no hassle. Value proposition towards would be towards their pain points. What is their pain point is. For students, my ad copy will be showing a student traveling, either he or she traveling through a bag, and say, do not worry about baggage. Here is your 30 kgs free of cost. So you see, I understood my target audience, I created segments, and I personalized my content. Do you agree? Will it lead to better user experience or not? Correct? If we create segmentation, automatic to AI tools will do their job, but you need to understand the backend mathematics or backend what is happening. So now you understand what is happening at the backend, how segmentation works, how personalization works. Then if you do not understand the concept, how will you use the AI tools? Now you're seeing the concept through Excel. I'm explaining the concept. Now you understand, yes, this is how segmentation works. Now you'll be able to leverage AI tools. Okay. Now let us say we understand how segmentation works. Okay. ChatGPT can also help you create, for example, for user personas of business travelers or students, you can create social media post, you can create blog post, okay, and say to ChatGPT, for this user personas, I'm a company, okay, solving this pain point. This is a user persona. Create a relevant content, which is a blog post of 1,000 words dedicated towards solving the pain point of this target segment, a personalized content. Okay, ChatGPT can also help you create chatbots. If someone comes to your website and say, I want to buy a gift for my mom, so it will say, okay, so what is your budget? You can feed ChatGPT and create chatbots. So you'll say my budget is, let's say, 1,000 Singapore dollars. So it will say, okay, within this range, okay, this is the product which I can recommend. So you can create chatbots for better customer experience. Okay, ChatGPT can also create dynamic content based on the user choices, right? It can also deliver you highly personalized content, email or social media posts, content. Okay, it will also understand your tone. For example, I know Carrie is someone who is not an easy customer. When she gets angry, she gets very angry, and she can actually spread a negative word of mouth also on social media based on her past interactions. ChatGPT has learned that data, for example, because I've been training ChatGPT on my website, for example. Okay, so I can actually use ChatGPT to pacify people like Kerry, who are not easy customers, who are not satisfied very easily, okay, and so on. So there's a case study by, so before we go to hands-on, I'll just give you a case study. Marina Bay Sands. Have you heard of Marina Bay Sands in Singapore? That looks like this. Infinity pool. There's a huge infinity pool at the top. There's a boat, right? So Marina Bay Sands, they wanted to leverage automation, AI-enabled automation using FB Messenger, okay, Facebook Messenger. So the resort wanted to deal with queries. So there's a big resort. On the bottom, they have a shopping center. Then they have a reception on the middle side, and they have rooms on the top. And then the top, there's a deck, observatory deck, which is an infinity pool. It has a observatory. It's a very beautiful place. I've stayed there and very wonderful. They have a huge high-end shopping area where they have Louis Vuitton to Michael Kors to what is called as Christian Louis Vuitton and and so on. Hermes, any brand you name it, they have it. So obviously, one of the revenues come from these shops. The problem is the resort wanted to deal with queries it received on Messenger more efficiently, in a more engaging way, and deliver personalized experience to drive awareness for its shopping and dining facilities. So it wanted to, so those people who booked Marina Bay Sands in Singapore to stay in their resort, they also wanted to create customer experience, enhance customer satisfaction, okay, and ultimately drive awareness about their shopping and dining facilities. So they actually took a resort off, okay, during the Christmas period. They said, we have a lot of people who are coming and they will be splurging a lot of money. So let us give them the option to shop. Okay. So they created a bot with FB Messenger, and bot responded to the customers. Okay. Gave them personalized feeds, gave them personalized recommendations. It enhanced the user's customer experience and also increased the revenue for the company. Okay. So the bot used a mix of text and images of the facilities to offer an immersive experience within the chats. Additionally, the bot anticipated further questions by offering information relevant to people's queries, such as attractions, dining facilities, operating hours, closing hours, okay, and various interest which was identified. One of the use case I'll show you. For example, someone came and someone says, explore. Okay, so it says discover a destination of endless possibilities at Marina Bay Sands, and it has given you some recommendations. Personalized recommendation based on your user behavior. Then it says gift guide and dining guides. What are you interested in? So you click gift guide. Then say, oh, gift guide. Is it? I love seeing the smiles on my loved ones lighting up when they receive a perfect gift. So you can see how personalized, how intelligently it has been integrated with ChatGPT and it's answering. Here at Marina Bay Sands, there's something for everyone. Let's go find out perfect gift now. First of all, who are you shopping for? The user says, for my parents. A gift for the people who raised you. I love it. First up, this is for the dad. That's for your dad or for your mom. The person says, for mom. Got it. Do you have a budget in mind? He says, yeah, $5,000 to $1,500. So here are some suggestions I think your mom will like. And it has given some suggestion based on the response. So you can see this is personalization. And it leads to better user experience and ultimately more revenues for the company, as companies can cross-promote, can upsell, cross-sell, and so on. The multiple opportunities. Okay. So let's do some hands-on. Let's say the use cases. You are a brand called as Done X that launched a luxury range of perfume called as Done X Fears. That's the imaginary brand, which I call it Done X. There's a perfume called as Done X Fears. Okay. Targeted towards males of age group 20 to 60 who belong to higher socioeconomic class, who are rich, who are into luxury perfumes, those who can afford it, are fond of lifestyle, and want to smell good. Okay. The tagline of the perfume is luxury perfume for suave men. Now let us use Copilot or ChatGPT, whatever you're comfortable with, okay, to create 3 user personas, 3 relevant images, and then personalize the content as per the target audience in question. So let us go. I've given a prompt. So I've given a prompt. Let's say, let me read it out like this. Okay. So I go to Copilot. Amanda says, any app to use to advertise bookkeeping services? you can use any no use any, so you can use Google ads, Facebook, regardless of industry, Amanda, you can use Google ads, Meta ads, regardless of industry. Okay, so let's say I give it a prompt, so you need to give it a detailed prompt. Okay, let me reload it. Okay, then I give it a prompt. That prompt has to be detailed. It says, I'm a brand selling perfumes for men called Danex Fierce, which has notes of oud, amberwood, and musk. Okay, musk. We in Arabic we call it musk. In English we call it as musk. Okay, my target audience are males belonging to high socioeconomic class and are into fashion and lifestyle. Behaviorally, they are engaged shoppers. They shop a lot. Okay, with the target audience, I have three segments. Segment one is young men of age 20 to 30 who are athletic, go to parties, and spend on lifestyle. Another segment is 30 to 40 years of males who are primarily founders and or senior level corporate professionals and who want to smell good. Okay, or let's say, and segment three are the men who are above 50 years of age, who are C-level executives and a big businessman. Help me create user personas for the three segments, and you target. Or maybe you can also ask, okay, simply say, help me identify three major target segments. Okay, so it will, based on your product and the target audience, it will give you maybe three major target segments. The fashion forward professionals. So it is a lifestyle based segmentation. Okay, the trendsetters. Okay, and the third one is connoisseurs, those people who actually love fine taste, fine things in life. Okay, and so on. So this is a very broader use segments. Now let's say, can you, okay, you can done X fierce can position itself effectively in luxury. So I can say, can you suggest me three detailed user personas representing each of the target segment. Okay, each of the target segment, highlight their social media activity, demographics, pain points, goals, motivations, and other information, other relevant info that you deem fit. Okay, now it will give me three user personas. Now, why I'm doing it? Because we want to create personalization, and we'll also create images here. Okay, in some time. Hold on. So it is thinking, and it will give me an output in a while. Recordings will be shared, definitely. Okay, so you can see it has given a very detailed user persona. Okay. Let it give you the output. Okay. So it has given me three user personas. Let's say I want to target one of the user personas and offer and serve them ads. Okay. So let's say I want to see which segment. Let's say this segment, Alexander, who is a senior manager in multinational corporation. Okay. Let's say create a 3D realistic image of Alexander of 35 years of age as represented in the user persona 1, which is the fashion professional as you have given. Okay. Show him using our luxury perfume done X. Okay. Peers. Okay. With the brand name printed on it. Give it a luxury feel. Luxury feel, and use colors of silver and gold and hit enter. Okay. Now, based on my input, I will try to create an image. Which image which I can use copyright free, okay, and personalized and show that content to the user personas belong to Alexander. Okay, so let us see what kind of output does it give. I'm still waiting, and let us see what kind of magic does it give. I really love the outputs it generally gives to me. Okay, we can see. So I got maybe this one. Can you see how beautifully it has given done next few years? Okay, and golden, and you can see how beautifully it has actually, you can download it. Okay, or you can go back if you like this one. You can also download this. Okay. So which one do you like on popular demand? The first one or the second one? This one or the first one? Okay. I like, I think probably this one, because this is more like an ad copy. Okay. Because luxury perfume. Okay. And so on. So it's more like an ad copy. Okay. But you can be different. First one. Okay. First one also. Second depends on your choice. Okay. So you can see. So once you created this. Okay. Now it's time. Let's say this is the person we want to target. You can also do one more thing is you can go to Copilot. Okay. You can actually click here and you can increase the width also. Let's say I'm going to make it a landscape, maybe for some other ads. Okay. Maybe some ads are being served in this format also, small or bigger. So you can download both of them. It will recreate the image accordingly. Okay. Now, when it is recreating, now what we'll do is we'll use this image. Okay. And we can create it. I can see. Okay. Now I can say, or you can also, can you add stylish suit and so on. Okay. Make sure the lightings highlight the perfume bottle. Let's say this. So you can pretty much interact with it. And ultimately, this user persona belongs to this age, 35 years of age, senior manager, because you can see he's wearing coat and tie, font of luxury perfumes, gives a look and rich feeling. If I show this kind of man holding this kind of perfume to this kind of people, okay, and focus on their pain points, let's say difficult finding unique scents that match his status, okay, and his goal is to recognize a leader in both professional and social circles. So I need to create a social media ad copy with this image, and narrative should be based on solving the pain points he's having and making him achieve the goal that he want to achieve. If my product can solve his pain points and it can help him achieve the goal he want to, he will definitely buy my product. So I would personalize my ad copy to attract him. Okay, you can see like this. Now let's say, consider the user persona 1. Okay, fashion powered professional. Now create a strong value proposition that showcases how we can help this persona achieve their goals and solve their pain points. Also convert it into a Facebook ad copy. Okay, so first of all, we want to find a right narrative which we can use to personalize our content to this user persona. Okay, so you can see for a person like, let's understand first who is Alexander. Alexander is a 35-year-old male who is a senior manager at multinational MNC, who lives in urban city, high income. He has a bachelor's degree or higher, professionally educated. He's on LinkedIn, Instagram, okay, follows luxury brands. So we, rather than giving Facebook, we should have written Instagram, okay. And he follows and engages with the content related to career growth and luxury lifestyle. Pain points is that he is not able to find very unique perfumes, okay, for himself, okay. And the goal is to be recognized the leader in both professional and social circle. He smells good. He wants to be a leader everywhere he goes. Alpha male. Motivation is to succeed, recognized, and to buy finer things in life. And other relevant information is prefer shopping in store, personalized experience. So he loves to shop in store, not online. Attend exclusive events and value high quality craftsmanship. So our ad copy can become something like this. So our value proposition can be, Done Experience is just not a fragrance. It's a statement of success and sophistication. Crafted for discerning gentlemen, our luxury perfume with notes of oud, amberwood, and musk is designed to complement the aura of fashion-forward professionals. It's the scent of achievement, providing an exclusive olfactory experience that sets you apart in the boardroom and beyond. Embrace the essence of luxury and let the next piece be finishing touch to your impeccable style. And you can give a Facebook or Instagram ad copy like this. Are you ready to stand out in the world of high fashion success? Discover the scent that speaks volumes before you even say a word. The next fierce values achievement with notes of oud and so and so. Join an elite who know the style is more than what you wear. Tap to learn more. Now this person wants to buy on shop. So you can say tap to, learn more about the address, or tap to chat with us, or, visit us. So you can run a visit us campaign, because this person is not going to buy online. The person like to visit and smell it and before they buy. So accordingly, you can see I have done this personalization for this user person. Similarly, what I can do is I can personalize for other user personas and third user personas as well. Okay. We have, yesterday we talked a lot about personalization. We established the importance of personalization in today's digital first world. So the basis for personalization becomes segmentation. So we segment, and then we, understand that segment, and then personalize our content. Okay. So yesterday we talked about how is AI used in marketing. We talked about what is the premise for personalization. Why is personalization important in terms of increasing the customer experience, which in turn will increase the engagement, which in turn will increase the conversion or ultimate business objective. Okay, thank you so much, Tammy and Fago. Okay, so thank you so much, Philip as well, Eric, everyone. So, there are a lot of benefits of personalization in today's world. As we all know, Netflix, YouTube, Instagram, uh, most of the portals, Spotify, Amazon, they all have their own personalization engines powered by various AI-based solutions, AI-based tools that we as digital marketers can use and offer personalized solution to our target audience. When we personalize, okay, we uh, deliver right product or right solution or right content in the front of right audience at the right time, so that it enhances our customer engagement and customer satisfaction. So let us move forward. So before we actually go ahead, now tell me if you have any questions with respect to the previous session we had yesterday. Okay, So let me see. There's a question. Okay. So Yolanda has a question. I could not attend yesterday's workshop because I was in church. Is it possible to get a recorded version of the yesterday's workshop? Yes, definitely you'll get a recorded version of the yesterday's workshop. Definitely. Okay. Okay. So any questions, guys? Feel free. First of all, tell me how all you are. Everyone is excited to learn today. We are going to also see how can we set up chatbot automations. So I'll give you certain tools, okay, for chatbot automations. You can create chatbot automations yourself and create personalization. So personalization can be done using segmentation, okay. You can use various AI-based tools, okay, such as ChatGPT, Copilot, and there are a lot of other tools we discussed. Adobe Customer Experience Cloud. There are a lot of other tools we talked about, okay. We can use them for personalization. We can also use chatbots for personalization. You can power that chatbot by ChatGPT. Also, you can set up automations on Facebook and Instagram using chatbots. Plus, you can also use A/B testing for, personalization. Why A/B testing? That means if I show you two versions of a particular web page or content, I would then see which segment resonate the most with which version of the web page. And then I will show you exactly that kind of thing. Anyways, moving forward. So we also yesterday went to Copilot, okay, and we had a use case in hand. So we had a use case in hand whereby we talked about, that we are a brand which are selling, luxury perfumes called as Dunex. Then we describe what is our product and what is our keynotes in the perfume. Okay. The target audience is primarily males belonging to high socioeconomic class. Okay. Who are into fashion lifestyle and who are psychographically attuned towards smelling good. Okay. And make a statement in the industry they are working in or in the society they are dwelling in. Now, with this target audience in hand, we went to Copilot and asked it to develop and give us 3 target segments whom we can cater. Then we explored one of the target segments and asked it to create user personas. We took up that user personas and we understood what are the pain points, what are their challenges, what are their motivations, what all channels they are resonating at, what are their goals. We understood the user persona in detail. Then we went ahead again and we created an image, okay, showcasing our product, representing the persona in question, okay, and created an image. When we created an image, okay, then we also asked it to create an ad copy for our Facebook, okay. And then we can actually go to Facebook or we can also go to Google Ads and set up an ad accordingly, okay, and show our ads to the relevant target audience, okay. So for example, yesterday we created, an image of a man who is actually holding a perfume, something like this. Something like this. You remember? If you can see this screen, right? So this person is our target audience, okay, and represents a male between 25 to 35 years of age, okay, who is a corporate professional, who wants to smell good. He's a young man who wants to party and wants to make a statement using luxury perfume. So this is the royalty-free image that we can use, and we can set up an ad on Meta ads, or maybe on Google Ads, or maybe Pinterest ads, and whatsoever. Edwin, you have raised your hand. Is there anything you want to talk about? Edwin? Okay. So Edwin, I have given you the mic rights. You want to speak up, or is it by mistake? Okay. Okay. Duku, you want to say something?
Hi there, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. I just wanted to find out from your experience, rather, the AI, obviously, this is an AI created image. In terms of the success of those kinds of images, as opposed to having an entire shoot, having, for example, a product sample type of situation where you have a real person holding the bottle as opposed to an AI person, rather. What would you say the success rate is on both sides, if I can ask that?
Okay, wonderful. Very good question. Okay. So the question here is, guys, everyone, whether we post a AI generated image vis a real photo shoot. So definitely for e-commerce products, real photo shoots are going to work better than, these AI generated images. Howsoever, when you're starting a business, you do not have enough money to actually, create photo shoots. You get photo shoot done. It can be an expensive proposition. So as to start with, definitely you can use AI. Okay. Howsoever, you can also you can use a tool called as Mid Journey. Mid Journey will give you very realistic image, which will not look like an image which is created. So you can use that. However, in any case, real images with a photo shoot is the best thing you can ever do. Okay. So our AI algorithms are evolving. With the new advent of new AI algorithms, it is getting much nearer to the real-time images. Okay. And soon there will be a day that we will have a lot of videos and even images which will look like real humans using it. Okay. So real humans cannot be replaced by any image or any generated art. Okay. So for businesses, obviously go for photo shoots, but if it is monetarily, if there's a constraint in with the budget, they can use AI tools as well. I have seen businesses also who are using AI tools and they are leveraging. Okay. But obviously using real images is a better option. Okay. Duku, so I answered your question.
Yes, you did. Thank you very much.
Perfect. So now let us move forward. So we established this fact. Now let us move forward and talk about new aspects of it. So is this everyone tried this no creating images through Copilot? Anyone? Okay, so Roxanne has a question, which is a very relevant question. What if the product is not tangible, but merely a service you provide? Okay. So let us say you're providing digital marketing services. Okay. Digital marketing training services. I still have to have a reference picture. So probably, who is my target audience? So let's say my target audience is someone who is 25 to 35 years of age, both males and females, who are starting their career, or maybe who are working professionals. Okay. So even to tangibilize the service, which is intangible, we need to give it a shape. So we will create an ad copy. We'll probably represent that ad copy with a human. Okay. And then give it a narrative that why not learn digital marketing from the best trainer, or why not learn digital marketing from the industry experts. So anyways, any service, it is all the services are intangible, but we as marketers, we want to tangibilize all the aspects of our services. Okay. So definitely, so as to target services also, you need to think of your target audience and show them even while you're promoting your digital marketing services. For example, let's go to Copilot. Okay. So let me take you to Copilot. And let's say we have a digital marketing service. So how do I represent my digital marketing service? Let's say I'm a digital marketing trainer selling digital marketing. Okay. Digital marketing workshops aimed towards 25 to 35 years old. Okay. Males and females. Help me identify one major target segment and give corresponding user persona. Okay. So this is a service which I'm trying to sell, right? So I'll come to you, Charmaine, in a while. Okay. Okay. So it is giving based on my services that I am someone who is selling my digital marketing workshops to males and females of 25 to 35 years of age. And I've asked it to give me a user persona. Okay. And the user persona is, let's say, Alex, 30 years old male, works as a mid-level marketing manager in a tech company. His motivation and goals is to get career growth, networking, skill enhancement. Behavioral patterns are online presence, mobile usage, and social activities. Challenge and pain points: he does not have time. He has a lot of information overload. Okay, there's an information clutter. And he also want affordable solutions. Okay, preferred learning style is flexible, interactive, and practical. Okay, so how do I target this user persona with my services. So I can say, considering the above user persona, can you create a 3D realistic image, okay, representing Alex, okay, in an online class, happy and satisfied, okay, happy and satisfied, and so on. Let's say, so we want to represent Alex, okay, who is happy and satisfied, and he's taking digital marketing session in a class, maybe online class, whatsoever. Okay. Then I will create an image. Okay. Then what I'll do is I'll use that image, and probably I can use Canva, or I can use any other tools. Okay. So you can see. So let's say this is Alex and this image you can use. Okay. And then you can actually create an ad copy. So let us go and create an ad copy also, so as to personalize our offering to someone like Alex. Okay. So I go to download. Then I go to, let's say, Facebook ads. Okay. So if I log in, okay, 1 second. So, okay. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to create an ad which is targeted towards this user persona of Alex. Okay. So I go to Meta Business Suite. I go to Ads Manager. Then I go to Ads Manager. And then I create an ad. Okay. The targeting would be people whom I want to target and show my personalized ad. So I go to create a campaign. Okay. Then I say, I'm going to create maybe traffic. I want to bring people to my website and sign up a lead form. Okay. So I go continue. I go to AI based settings. Let's say like this. Okay. So this is all AI based, and say digital marketing workshop for Alex user persona, for example. Okay. And then I go ahead and then I go to next. Okay. Now, where do I want to send traffic to? Website. And I put my website, for example. Then I go ahead and then I say my budget is, let's say, 300 Indian rupees per day. I'm going to start my ads from April 28 to probably for this, okay, maybe 10th. Okay. And then my target location, maybe India, United States, wherever your target location is. Okay. And then go to next. So now I want to create a, what's called an ad. So I just say image ad, digital marketing services, or Alex. Okay. My page. So I have to define what is my page. So you should have a page and you should have an Instagram account also. Okay. Then you say, I want to add media. So you just add the image or a video that you have created using AI, or also you can use Canva, or you can use any a real photo shoot also, whatever you want to say. Okay. And I upload this image. Once I upload this image, I can actually use this image, and it will automatically, based on AI, it will create the resolution. You can see something like this. Okay. It will automatically add music also. Listen to this. Okay. It will automatically add music. And then you go ahead and you say your text. So now how would you find the text? Probably, I can say, can you give me headline, text, and description would target people like Alex based on the user persona You create it, you target Alex on meta ads. You create it. Okay. Now it will give me certain text headlines based on user personas. Okay. So headline. Okay. So you can use this, right? Or maybe I say, if I go here, I say, Alex has, no, Alex has been elevated to managerial position. Are you ready to take a leap? Okay. Maybe this is your opening statement. Okay. You can also add much other text options. You can take it from here. Maybe I would use like this. I'm going to target people like Alex. Personalize my ad copy. You can use like this. Okay. Sometimes it will use this. So what it will do is it will dynamically create multiple ad variations, multiple ad variations, and it will show it to multiple people at the same time. Okay. Then it will realize the ad variation number this is performing that ad variation number 2. So it will start focusing on the ad variation, which is getting more impression, more clicks, more conversions. Okay. Why this Lego coffee is coming? Because I need to actually change the ad set. So I think because of, okay, you can see multiple others. You can use all these. You can see based on AI, it has given me certain suggestions. I can use more. So everything based on AI. It's super easy. Okay. Then you go and set your maybe headline. Headline could be all text variations. I added. You can see. And then description. I can check out some description from here. Okay. And I say, take this. Once again, I need to copy this. Copy and paste. Okay. Or maybe this is not fitting here. So you can see this is coming here. So let me maybe go and paste it here. Okay. And so on. Or also I can generate, add more text option. Maybe I can use it here also. Okay. And so on. And then go ahead and call to action. You want to bring people to your website. Okay. So maybe get access. So what is the right call to action? Shop now is not the right call to action. Maybe sign up. Sign up. Get quote, not get quote. I think sign up would be the right call to action. Okay. Then I go ahead and go down. Then I put my URL. Let's say my URL is akramali.com. Okay. And then I go down and so on. So you can see it has revised all my templates. You can see. So this ad copy is personalized to user persona of Alex. If your user persona is students, so this ad copy is not relevant to them because this is for working level professionals, right? You can see all the ad previews in the advanced previews. And based on multiple headlines, multiple text that we created, it will, what it will do is it will randomly, create multiple ad copies, maybe 200, 100 ad copies and show it to different people. And based on it, realize that this text, this ad copy is performing better than other ad copies. And it will increase the budget on this ad copy automatically and decrease the budget on other ad copies. So you can see how beautifully it is created. Everything for Instagram, for Facebook, okay, and so on. Are we good with this? So even Roxanne, if our product is not tangible, we tangibilized it and give it a shape. Correct, Roxanne? So did I answer your question? Okay. Sharman, you have a question before we used to subscribe. Oh, you have an observation. Wonderful. So you have an observation that before we used to subscribe to Shutterstock for stock photos, but now yeah, definitely. Okay. You'll get the video presentation and the recording for this. Okay. So now, apart from this, I also wanted to tell you that there are also free resources such as pexels.com, canva.com, okay, unsplash.com, whereby you can actually buy royalty-free images. Not buy, you can actually get it free royalty-free images. Unsplash, I'll just type it down. Unsplash.com, canva.com, pexels.com. Okay. So you can get royalty-free images here also for free of cost. If you want to buy, you can buy that also. Okay. However, you can use the AI and you can create hyper-personalized campaigns. Similarly, if you are a company selling services of, let's say, CRM software, and your target audience is social media, your target audience is marketing managers. Okay. So you can actually go ahead and create an image of a woman who is a marketing manager, who is having the CRM department, working, and she's very happy. And she's showing, I'm using this CRM. How about you? So you can tangibilize the services in whatever you want. Okay. And so, shall I move forward? Everyone comfortable? Okay. So we created image, we set up an ad, and we personalize the ad campaigns. So we can use AI pretty much to personalize our ad campaigns. Now let's move forward. Let us talk about how can we use chatbots to create personalization. Do you think chatbots can be used to create personalization? And how? How can we use chatbot to create personalization? Anyone? Can we use chatbot to create personalization? Yes or no? Data gathering? Yes. Yes, Samson. Any other observation? So let's say yesterday I showed you example of Facebook and Marina Bay Sands. Remember? It was able to create personalization. For customers, a very nice, Mary. And says for customer service, wonderful. So let's say if I'm an e-commerce store, you bought a product from me, but you're not sure what product you want to buy. You want to understand. So you went to my store and you typed, what product should I buy? I'm not really sure. If you go to my chatbot, then I say, hey, I'm Akram. I'm the CEO of this company. And what kind of product you are looking forward to? Then you say, okay, first of all, tell me about your company. So I've set up an automation. It will tell you about my company is this and this. This is what we specialize. This is the product catalog. Okay. So I can use it for resolving your queries. I can use it for creating brand awareness. I can use it pretty much for making you helping you make a decision. For example, you say, I want to buy something for my father. You have something. So my chatbot will say, yes, for father, these are products which might suit you, which might which might be of interest to you if you're buying a gift for your father. So I can personalize, I can give you suggestions, even let you bought it. And then there was some problem or you wanted to inquire about the shipping. You came back and you say, what is my order number? I ordered like day before yesterday. I was waiting for my express shipping. Where is my product? So chatbot will immediately look in the database and give you this, your product has been shipped. You'll get it by EOD or maybe tomorrow morning. Or maybe you receive the product, some kind of problem developed. So you say, I am not sure how to use this product. Can you help me demonstrate how to use this product? So chatbot will say, here's a demo video on YouTube. Click this link and go and see that. So you see at every stage in the customer journey, at every touch point, I'm trying to personalize my answers as per the queries that you're giving, right? Very nice. I think Roxanne has given another point with data gathering and teaching it voice, yes. And Talitha has also given good points. Suggest product based on the data. Very nice. So let's say if what happens is there are tools like unbounce dot no we'll talk about it. Unbounce. So unbounce is a tool help you actually personalize your offering. Now, for example, based on data. So how does it work? Let me just take you to that portion. Okay. So there's a tool called as unbounce. So let's say this is my website. Okay. I installed a tool called as unbounce. Okay, unbounce.io. It's a personalization tool. Now let's say Samantha visits my website. And Samantha generally buys on sale. Okay. Then Roxanne visits my website. Roxanne is not a sale buyer. She thinks that I should buy a product which actually fits my needs. So she's a very objective buyer. She does not care about deals and discount. She's more of a buyer. If my product is logically able to solve the problem, she will buy it regardless of the money. So money is not a parameter for Roxanne. So she buys my product which are expensive and which are no very good products. Similarly, different people are visiting. So this unbounce tool is observing the user behavior. It says this is a segment one. This is deals. This is oriented toward deals and discount. Generally, they only buy from our website when there's a deals and discount. So all those people like Samantha, those people who generally buy on deals and discount, it is observing your behavior, and it will categorize into segment one. People like Roxanne, who do not actually care for deals and discount. They are very logical buyers. If the product satisfies my need, I'll buy it. Okay, so for them, it says that I'll create a segment two of those people who belong to this segment. There would be thousands of people. There would be thousands of people who visited my website. Now it has created two segments. Okay, there could be some other segment, which is emotional buyers or maybe impulse buyers. Another segment. Now let's say a user person who belongs to this segment of sales and discount. Okay, he or she visits for the second time on my website. It will automatically show me a version of the website which will be different than the original homepage. It will be showing here is the sales discount. So it will show me the sales page more. The sales, discount, deals of all the products, which is deals of the day. Now, if at the same time, anyone who belongs to segment two, that person again visits my website for the second, a segment represented by Roxanne. Okay. If that person visits, they'll be shown a different version of the web page based on their previous interactions. It will say that since people like Roxanne, this person is also belongs to a user's segmentation or who's represented by Roxanne. This person does not care about sales and discounts. So, but this person talks mainly searching about these things, generally has bought these things based on XYZ parameters. It will show me some other version of web page, which may be much more of interest to me, and so on. And so are you getting how does personalization work? It is automatically personalizing the content for your this thing. So let me show you unbounce. Okay. So if I take you to unbounce, let me save this first of all. Unbounce. Okay. So unbounce.com, you can say it is good for personalization. So what does it do? It is, if first of all, it creates landing pages. Okay. It tests A/B testing. That means we'll talk about A/B testing in a while. Okay. Today's agenda is A/B testing. So whatever it says that if a person visited my website, we showed him page number A. Okay. When he visited for the second time, we showed him page number B. But he interacted with page number B more than page number A. So next time when he'll visit, we'll show him page number B only. That is A/B testing. Okay. Automatically, as you land, it will create a new landing page, and based on your preferences, it will customize the data. Okay. So that it personalizes the offerings to you when you're visiting my website. So this tool, again, it's a paid tool. Okay. If it makes sense for your target audience, or maybe it makes sense for your business, it's an expensive tool. This tool is actually a very good tool to create personalization. So what it will do is it will understand, it will collect data, it will analyze data, it will create segments, and based on segment, it will personalize the content on my website based on what you want to see, what you generally buy from me, how often do you buy from me, and whether do you buy on sale or discounts, or whether you're an emotional buyer. It also understands the emotions of the people, and so on. Okay, so let's move forward. So we were talking about chatbots. So as we now know, we can use chatbots to create our own, so this is, I'm teaching you how to create chatbot, which will give you some kind of personalized responses. Okay. So let me show you. First of all, I'll take you to a tool called as Chatbase. Okay. Not this one.
Let's see how to create an automated.
Okay. Let me take you to some other tool first of all, then I'll show you this video. So what I'm talking about is right now, this. Okay. This is the tool I'm talking about. So what we'll do is I'll take you to a tool called as chatbase.co. Okay. I've already set up a chatbot, but I'll try to, give it to you. So let's say, okay. So let me go and log in. So first of all, you need to create an account, okay, and sign in. So I have a website called as theeasywisdom.com. Okay, then I have another website. So for the easywisdom.com, I have already created a chatbot. For this, I'll try to create it in front of you and I'll show you. Okay, so I go to continue with Google and sign in. Okay. Now this tool is pretty much freemium model. So free plus premium. So certain part of of this you can use for free. You can create one chatbot for free. So you can create a new chatbot, but that would require some. So I can say I click here. So you can create a chatbot. So what you need to do is you need to give it data. So you need to have a file about your business, about your product and services. You need to upload it here. So if you have a PDF file or a Word document which lists about the product, services, timing, FAQs, okay, you can upload it here. Another way is you can directly input all the tech data here. The third way, you can go to website and put in your URL. Let's say I want to put in my URL. Let it load. And I'll come here and try to load it here. Okay. So let's say this is my URL. And let's say I go to About Me. And then I copy the URL. So all the data, in About Me section, it will read all the data and it will actually use this data to answer your questions. So you're training a chatbot. Okay. So what we are doing is we are giving the URL here. And you say fetch links. So either you have a file or you have a data, you can directly enter the data or you can give your link. Okay. It has taken my link and I say create a chatbot. Okay. So it says you have reached a limit of one chatbot. Please upgrade your plan. Okay. So once you create a chatbot, it will come to a section called as, like this. It will show you. So let's say I've already trained my chatbot on the easywisdom.com. This is the website. Okay. Now it is already, you can see status is trained. Model is ChatGPT 3.5. Okay. And so on. So this is my chatbot which I have created. So as soon as I integrate this chatbot with my website, it will appear here. My chatbot can appear here. So if I drive a chatbot, once I place this code, it will appear here. Okay. Once you open it, it will show you interface like this. Hi, what can I help you with? Then I say, I want to know about your company. You can see the company is called the Easy Wisdom Media. It is online media platform founded by Akram Ali and so on. So, okay, let's say what I've done is I have fed the data which is about this data. So I fed it data which is in the frequently asked questions. Okay, so I fed this data. In the free version, you can feed it only one URL up to 400,000 characters. But if you have more characters, you can buy a paid version. You can give it an entire website. It will feed data from your entire website, all the products, all the categories, all the shipping information. If you have an e-commerce store, it will feed everything and it will give you all the data. Okay. For example, let's say you want to ask any question. Let's say, who is the founder? Okay. Okay. And so on. Right. Then you can ask it many questions. What kind of content do you publish? So it is reading and it is responding. Okay. So you can see. So I have trained a chatbot like this. So if I have to create another chatbot, so how do I do that? So what I'll do is I'll show you how do we create it. Okay. So we go to chatbots.co and then what I do is I will, first of all, I need to log out. I'll go to my account. Okay. And then how do I log out? Sign. Okay. Now let me create another account. Let's say I log in and say password. Let's say I want to create an account. Okay. Now I need to confirm my email. So what I'll do is I'll open up my email and verify my account. Yes, that is also possible. To link your business to WhatsApp. That is also possible. So what that is called is WhatsApp automation. For that, you need to go to WhatsApp automation companies such as Vati.io. There are a lot of other companies which give you integrations. So WhatsApp, automation is also possible. Yes. Okay, and so on. So I go to Chatbase and I confirm my account. Once I confirm my account, I'm ready to create my chatbot. Okay, I create new chatbot. Then I go to website and put in my, let's say this is the, or maybe if I put this, okay, or maybe if I put, because I put more information about this, and then I put the, not here, fetch links. Okay, now you can see 23 sound correct. I can give more links. So what I'll do is I'll go to home and copy this and I fetch more links. So let's say because I have 4 lakh characters limit, 400,000. Okay, so it is fetching the links. So let us see how many characters does it count here. Are you guys following me? Are we getting what we are trying to do? Everybody is sleeping? Lullaby is going on? Or are we good? Okay. Okay. So you can see I've utilized 230,000 limits. Okay. Now you can see I'm ready to train my chatbot. So what I'll do is I'll create a chatbot. Maximum 10 links on a free plan. Okay. So I'll remove some of the links. So I'll remove this, 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 this. Okay. This is also not required. This is also not required. This is also not required. This is also, tags are not required. Okay. Because people will not ask question about my cookie policy and Okay. So pretty much. So I create a chatbot. Okay. Let me, I think there's a question by CBR. Precious Ren CBR. Please feel free to ask a question. You wanted to ask something, CBR, or by mistake? Okay. So I think it's by mistake. So you can see I have trained my chatbot. So you can see it is being trained now. So let us say I am okay with this. Okay. So what I'll do is, first of all, okay, what services do you provide? So now I have just in front of you trained my chatbot with the data of my website. Okay, so you can see based on my website data, it has fed and it is giving responses. Okay, what all modules in digital marketing you provide training on? Can you see? So it has picked up all the data from my website from here. Okay, you can also ask, what do you take online sessions or offline or both? See, right? You can ask more questions. Okay, who is the master trainer? See, why is it not sure? Because I've never mentioned this term master trainer here. Okay, so let's say, who is the trainer? So whatever data you do not give, it will not feed. So you're not training him on that data. So you need to make sure that you, whatever data you're giving it, okay, you need to answer those things. Okay, let's say, who is Akram Ali? You can see. Okay, now let's say, okay, I want SEOs services for my brand. Okay, will you help? Do you provide consulting services? Do you provide digital marketing consulting services as well, and SEO services? Okay, so you can see pretty much I created a chatbot, which is actually meaningful for me. Don't you think? So whatever, you can also ask various questions. What kind of sessions do you conduct? Okay, what all at tech, or what all B schools and at tech platforms you are associated? You can see. Okay, so Zoltiers and everything is coming here. Okay, so I created a chatbot based on my, what is called as data, right? Okay, so there's a lot of questions. Let me take one question. Mary, how do you integrate the chatbot with the website? I'll tell you how. Okay, that is what I'm going to do now. Second question, Lamulo says, let's say people ask a question based on information that is not fed with, so if it is not fed, you'll not be able to answer that. Okay. However, in the paid version, so what I'm going to say is, if you have a website, you should put all the information on your website. Okay. Think of all the probable question can people ask, put it on a website. Okay. And think like a user. What a person will come to my website, what kind of questions that person can ask. Okay. Then accordingly answer those questions and keep it somewhere in the website. It will read it and will give you an answer. Okay. Third, okay, in terms of languages, it is strictly English or at times goes by. Okay, so there are a lot of tools which also give you languages in your vernaculars. For example, if you have a different language, you can create chatbots in your own languages also. Okay, this tool, if you go for a paid version, they will also give you to create chatbots in a different language. Okay, so chatbots creation is not limited to language. So any language you can use. Okay, provided your website should be in that language, and you can train your chatbot in that language. Are we good? Comfortable? Okay. Now let us go to embed on site. So now embed on site. Okay. Make public. So how do I make public? Okay. So it says add chatbot anywhere on a website, add this frame to your HTML code. Okay. To add chat bubble to the bottom right of a website, add the script tag to it. So I, go here, copy the script. Then I probably open my website. I'll go to the backend. Sorry, the spelling is wrong. So it's my website isn't made on WordPress. Okay. You can use for chatbots for Facebook also, but Facebook's own chatbots. Okay. You cannot use any other chatbot. So let's say I go back. Okay. So Facebook chatbot, I'll show you in a while. Okay, don't worry. I have that thing in mind. I'll show you how do you create chatbot automation on Facebook. Okay, and Instagram. So I go to my section called as I want to place it in the header section. So let's say I go to code snippets. Okay. So I have a plugin. Add new. Okay. What we'll do is we will use another header and footer. Okay. This. So I'll paste this in the header section. Okay, and I hit save changes. Now let us say if it is embedded on my website or not. It might take some time. And let's see. I open an incognito mode. So if you place the code right, then only it will get embedded. So right now I can't see. Okay. The chatbot. So it should ideally come here. So that means I'm not placing the row codes. Okay, rightly. So let me go back. Okay. So read the instructions again. It says to add the chatbot bubble to your bottom right of your website, add a script tag to your HTML code. Okay. So I copied this and then I went to my website. Okay. Maybe not here. Then did I save the changes? Okay. Let me reload it. Okay. Maybe not here. Then what I'll do is try in the body section. Okay. Anyways, if you're not able to do it yourself, you can ask your developer to do it. And definitely it will appear on your website. Okay. And then I go back again, I reload the website. And okay. Maybe not here. This is not again coming. Okay. So I need to reach out to my developer and tell him, or maybe I can try this also. Okay. Why not? So script window embed chat config. Okay. Or maybe if I go ahead and say, I go to integrations. Let's say add to WordPress. I click this. Okay. So there's another WordPress. So plugin is called as chat base. Okay. So I go back to my this section. I go to a section called as plugin. And let me see, we have something plugin called as chat base for WordPress org. Chat base. This is here. Chat base. Install now. Okay. Once you install it here, activate. Then you need to connect it with the right amount. Okay. Once you've installed it here, let's say I go and control refresh. Is it getting quite technical, guys? Or are we good? Footer file. Fago, I try to put it in the footer file. I don't know if you're not, So I go and then I go to chat base. So let me go and see. Where do I get chat base? Details. Okay. So I can see maybe somewhere here. maybe in the tools, settings, maybe I'll just reload it. We do the dashboard. Okay. So whenever you add a plugin, you need to actually reload the dashboard so that you can see the tool. So I don't see the tool here somewhere. Settings, chatbot. Can you see chatbot option? I click here, chatbot ID. So I go to chatbot. Okay. And what is my ID of my chatbot? So if I go to click here, do I see any chatbot ID? This is the chatbot ID. So I copy the script, paste it somewhere here. Okay. Come here, then copy my chatbot ID. This is it. And then I go back. And then I save it. Save changes. Okay. So I hope it should be available by now. If not, then we need to go to developer and actually get it sorted. So it is here. See. Wonderful. Right? Hi, I want training inquiries to inquire about your training services. Okay. Digital marketing training. So you can see. Okay. Where do I get to contact you or register? Okay, so you can see. So I have trained the chatbot and I've implemented it on my website. Okay, so what I'll do is, meanwhile, since I'm using this plugin, okay, what I'll do is I'll remove all the extra codes which I have used here, because every time you use a code, okay, you go to header and footer. Okay, if you're using any code, if you're using a plugin, then you need not use these codes and you need to delete them. So just delete them. Otherwise, it will slow down your website. Okay, so this is how we create a chatbot. Comfortable, everyone? Now, I would also want you to create a chatbot yourself. So all of you now go to chatbase.co. Okay, take any reference document or take any website of your choice. You can take any other website. Maybe you can take any XYZ website. Okay, I'll give 10 minutes and I want you to create a chatbot and train it. Okay, and I want you to do it. So are you from laptop? Are you on laptop? Are you all of you are on laptops? Yes or no? So you want to try this out quickly? See, this is a workshop. So I want you to, generally when we say that, join from laptops, why? Because we want you to, try through laptops and try doing things. Okay. So I'll give you uh, 10 minutes and let's do this. Okay. Or maybe 5 minutes. Okay. I'll give you 5 minutes. Let's do this. Okay. So what your case is, go to Chatbase. I'll just type it, chatbase.co. Okay. When you go there, create an account. Okay. Then create new chatbot. Then either you have a document, upload a file, or you can take any, website, pull the website, URL and create a chatbot. If there are a lot of, since there's only 400,000 character limit, if there are a lot of URLs, delete all those URLs, only keep 1 or 2 URLs and train the chatbot. Are we good, guys? Are we trying? Yes or no? Okay. So I'm giving you some time. Please try. Okay. Okay. And if you face any issue, let me know. So I am here only. If you face any issue, I'll give you 5 minutes and try that. If you don't try it, then there's no point. Okay. Let me know if you're facing any issues, any troubles. Any questions, guys? Meanwhile, please feel free to ask your questions. Any questions are you facing? Any questions you want to ask? Feel free. Any questions? No questions? Everything is clear? Another 3 minutes. We'll wait. And then we'll continue the session. Okay. Okay. Creating one very nice Roxanne. Try that and let me know how was your experience. Okay. Okay. So Kelly says, I already have my website under godaddy.com and is using WordPress, but I still picked up a lot of new. Oh, wonderful. Very nice. Roxanne says, so I'm inserting my website, but it's not finding it. Okay. So you need to install a plugin. If you're not able to do it yourself, do not burden yourself. Ask your developer to do it, Roxanne. Okay. And or use a plugin. The way I was also installing, it was not happening on my website also. Those who do not have a website, at least you can try the chatbot and you can train your chatbot. Yeah, so WordPress is one of the best website builders you can ever have. Okay. Yeah. So Gil says that my website domain is .shop. Does not matter with your website domain. Okay. It does not at all matter what is the website domain. All it matters is that you should have a website. Okay. And it will automatically show it to you. Okay. And so on. Let's move forward. Shall we move forward now? Let me know. Okay. So let's move forward and let's continue the session. So now, for those of you who want to actually integrate, so I've also in this PPT, I've given the steps. Okay. So you come here, you can see here.
Let's see how to create an automated chatbot for you with WordPress. So basically it is
So if you want to integrate, I think it has given the integration steps also. Let me go back.
somewhere on the page. This is designed with Elementor, so I can just create a
So you have created a chatbot like Chatbase. Okay, let's say this is what we created a website.
here. So what I need to do, we need to copy this script and put it to the theme file or header file. If you don't have a custom theme created, just click new plugin and you can search for code. If you search for code, you can install this plugin and insert the code in the header section. But I don't have any headers on this website and I want to display the chatbot only on the home page. So what I'll do, I'll add this somewhere on the page. This is designed with Elementor, so I can just create a new HTML and I can drag it anywhere. It will not be displayed here, it will just create a chatbot here, and I'll paste the script here.
Okay, so you can also create, if you have created a website using Elementor, you can also do so. I have included this reference video. You can look at it and you can create your own chatbot so that you have a ready reference documents with you. Okay. Okay, wonderful. Oh, so you tried it for any other website, Lamulo, and damn, I tried it with the website of some company. I love. Oh, wonderful. It's actually very creative. Okay, let's move forward. Okay, now
Let's see how to
I want to talk about. So these are steps I've given you. Now this is another tool, which is a tool. You know, it's a wonderful tool. I wanted to see you this video because this is a tool called as chatbotbuilder.ai. Now with this tool, you can actually create a chatbot which can be integrated with your Facebook Messenger, with your WhatsApp, with Instagram, okay, and even with your website and even SMS and even call chatbot. It's a wonderful tool. It's a paid tool, okay. So that's why I'm showing you this video. It's a wonderful, you'll love this. Okay, let me show you this.
Okay, we can easily create.
Is the voice audible from this video? Yes or no? Okay. Okay. Nicolene Williams has a question. Hi, Akram. Thank you for your insights. I just want to confirm that these chatbots will not have access to other information on your device. Just thinking in terms of you. Oh, it will not have any information with respect to any information on your devices. It will only have information with respect to the website that you're integrating it. Okay. So this is privacy control. You can you should not worry about it. Okay. Feel free. So let me show you this video, and it is a wonderful tool you can use.
By just a prompt, a daggum near perfect chatbot for your business. That is the power of data. That is the power of automation. That is the power of AI. What's going on, guys? Ryan Baggett here again with a quick demo of how you can use ChatGPT with your chatbot for your business specifically, super easily. And I'm talking in less than like 60 seconds. Let's jump right into it. So let's remove me from this giant screen. What we want to do is simply first connect OpenAI with your chatbot. You're going to go to settings, then you're going to head over to integrations, and then right here, voila, OpenAI. I'm going to disconnect just to show you how easy it is to connect. What you're going to need to do is head over to the OpenAI website, platform.openai.com/overview is where you land once you've logged in. You're going to click on your icon here, view API keys. You're just going to need to create a new key. Copy the key. Head back over here and hit connect. This is the magic. API key done. We've already got the best model for you selected. And here is where all my dreams came true. Okay. So we can easily create, by just a prompt, a daggum near perfect chatbot for your business. So I'm going to go ahead and edit this message and show you just a quick idea of how powerful this is. So you are a helpful, okay, so this is my prompt. You are a helpful advanced AI assistant for Baggett Spots Digital Marketing Agency. You're located in Bluffton, SC, but serve the entire U.S. I'm going to say Baggett Spots is located in Bluffton, SC, but serves the entire US. You provide best-in-class digital marketing services, but specialize in chatbots and AI for businesses. Ryan Baggett is the owner, and his email is ryan@baggettspots.com. Your goal is to provide helpful responses from potential and current clients of Baggett Spots. All right, so more options. Let's put the temperature at something like 3. Max tokens. Let's do something like 500 just to should be safe. That's all you need. Let's hit continue. And we've got the default reply set to be turned on. So now what we want to do is have one welcome message. And so in this case, it just says, welcome to Baggett Spots. How can I help? All right. So we don't have anything else in our entire account right now. So the next thing I want to show you guys is how we can test this. Let's get the link for the web chat and let's do a little paste. Welcome to Baggett Spots. How can I help? Where are you located? Baggett Spots Digital Marketing Agency is located in Bluffton, but we serve clients across the US. We're always a phone call or email away. Where are you located? Please. As the customer or as the potential client, we're located in Bluffton, South Carolina. We serve clients across the US. Let us know how we can assist you. What services do you offer? Boom. We offer a wide range of digital marketing services, including chatbot development. Bam. Do y'all see how gangster this is? I'm telling you. So let's go ahead and make this really advanced and multi-channel. What we're going to do is we're going to go head over to settings. We're going to click on channels and we're going to connect SMS. So I've got Twilio already open. Copy. This is how easy it is to connect. Bam. Don't y'all try to use my API keys. All right, so then I've got open Chat GPT. I've already bought the number. So I've got everything set. Boom. Guess what? Now we can receive a text. Okay. We can easily.
Twilio for SMS marketing. Okay, so you have to take a subscription, then only you can integrate this tool with SMS marketing and with Chat GPT. So you are integrating Chat GPT and other tools so that you can create a chatbot.
Create by just a prompt a daggum near perfect chatbot for your business. That is the power of data. That is the power of automation. That is the power of AI. What's going on, guys? Ryan Baggett here again with a quick demo of how you can use Chat GPT with your chatbot for your business specifically, super easily. And I'm talking in less than like 60 seconds. Let's jump right into it. So let's remove me from this giant screen. What we want to do is simply first connect OpenAI with your chatbot. You're going to go to settings.
I wanted to show you one more thing.
So more options. Let's put the very easy to just make work.
So now I wanted to show you
Integration.
how can you,
Period.
okay.
Let
How can you integrate voice calling also with your chatbot? Let's
also go ahead and add one more channel to make this thing really well-rounded. We're going to add voice. So same keys, which is awesome. And again, like I swear, guys, you will not find a better, faster integration, period. So then we've got Chat GPT phone done. So now all we need to do is make sure we've set a welcome message specific to the phone channel. This is one thing I see people mess up, but it's very, very easy to just make work. Done, just like that. So now we can test it. Let's test it by going to the inbox and we can watch a conversation happen, okay? So I'm gonna call the number that I've assigned that I got from my Twilio here. So we're gonna call it and I'll put it on speaker.
Welcome to Baggett Spots. How can I help?
Where are you located?
We are located in Bluffton, South Carolina, but we serve clients all over the United States.
What services do you offer?
We offer a wide range of digital marketing services, including social media management, email marketing, SEO, PPC advertising, website design.
Who owns your agency?
Ryan Baggett is the owner of Baggett Spots Digital Marketing Agency. You can reach him at ryan@baggettspots.com.
Okay, so this is the power of chatbot personalization, marketing, chatbot automation. Okay, so obviously these tools will be on freemium model. Not everything would be on free basis. So you have to pay something as well. But obviously, if you pay, you'll get better features, and you can create these kind of things on your own. You need not have any coding language knowledge, right? You can see that. So I have a question by Erickson. Yes, Erickson, you want to talk about something? I'm giving you the mic access. Erickson, you want to talk about something? Okay. I think by mistake. Okay, guys. So are we good so far? Okay. This is great, but screen not clear to copy link of the YouTube video. Okay, I'll give you the YouTube. So my screen is not clear. Let me give you the YouTube video link as well. Don't worry. Okay, not an issue. I'll just end the show and then I'll copy this YouTube link. Okay, and then you can actually go here and you can use this link. Okay, I've typed the link in the chat box. Okay, so now let's move forward to the last section. Okay, I will talk about what is called as Facebook automation and A/B testing and all. We will talk about when you join our session. Okay, AI digital marketing. We'll talk about A/B testing. We'll talk about a lot of things. Let me show you how can you create chatbot for your Facebook. Okay, so first, for example, for you to first of all go to what is called as your Facebook. Okay, then navigate to a section called as Meta Business Suite. Okay, so let me first clear all these things. Okay, come to Meta Business Suite. So first of all, go to a Facebook. Okay, once you go to Facebook, then you navigate to a Meta Business Suite. Okay, then when you go to Meta Business Suite, then okay, there's a question, what does temperature mean in chatbots? Even I don't know, Mary. So that person suggested that go for temperatures 0.3. So go for suggestions. So they will give you all the good practices. Okay, and we not worry about those things also. Okay, so this is your Meta Business Suite. Now you come here, you can see here's a section called as inbox. So whereby I can see all my messages which I am getting on my Facebook page, on my Instagram business. Okay, so you can see what all messages I'm getting on my Instagram, on Messenger, on Facebook comments, everything I can message, everything I can manage from here without logging in to the Instagram app or Facebook app. So once you come to your Messenger, okay, you need to come to this section called as, you can see this is called as automations. You click here. So either you can use Baggett bots or, for creating automation on Facebook. Also, you can also use this tool for Facebook Messenger. So you can see create an automation. What kind of automation you create? Frequently asked questions, location, contact information. So these are certain keywords. Let's say you want to create an automation for about frequently asked questions. So I've already created frequently asked questions. So if you go to my Instagram or if you go to my Messenger, Facebook Messenger, you can see this is how you'll see. If you go to the Easy Wisdom Facebook page, you'll be shown a messenger like this. It says, is anyone available to chat? What is your email ID or contact? Okay, so I've created questions like this. I've created answers also. Okay, I've created question and I've also given buttons also. In the real time, you'll also see button. Meanwhile, visit our website, you'll see a button. You click and you go to my website. Okay, you can see this. You can also personalize the message like this. First name, last name of the recipient. You can also personalize your message. Say, hi, first name. Let's say like this. And so on. So you can personalize and you can add as many questions as possible. Okay. Once you add those questions, it will appear like this. So person can come directly and simply say, is anyone available to chat? And whatever answer you have given, it will automatically give. But you need to set up those answers. It is just an automation. So you can personalize based on what questions people are asking. Okay. Or whatsoever. Let's say you want to create an automation when someone actually inquires about your hours of services, ask about what is the location. Okay. or when someone comments to a message. Okay. When someone, let's say, comments anywhere on Instagram or Facebook and says this and this in hashtag your brand name. So any hashtag if they are using, as soon as they use their hashtag anywhere on Facebook, Instagram, you can immediately send a message automatically. Thank you for using our hashtag and so and so. We appreciate your patronage and so on. So you can create better user experience. If somebody's, for example, is very satisfied with, if I am a marketing manager of Nike, okay, now you bought Nike product and you went ahead and actually you posted a reel on Nike that I bought, hashtag Nike product and I'm really loving it. Okay. I set an automation as soon as my hashtag Nike is used. Automatically, a reply should go to the user who's used it. Automatically, a reply will go to you as a user, whatever I have said. So for example, let's say, so try it. So I want to create an automation. So let's say I want to use Nike. If hashtag Nike, Nike shoes. Okay. So there's only one hashtag. Add hashtag. Okay. Nike, let's say Nike shoes. Add a hashtag. Let's say Nike US. Let's say I'm a marketing manager from Nike US. Okay. And if someone uses these things, I want to, use this. Let's say I use another hashtag. Let's say just do it. Okay. This is the hashtag, or maybe I just use like just do it. Now, as soon as someone uses this hashtag, send this message instantly. So it will, as soon as someone use this hashtag, what message to go in the inbox? Hey, thank you for your continued patronage. Okay. We are glad you are enjoying our products. Please check our new collection and apply the discount code. Okay, loyal 10. So don't you think I have customized my message to my loyal customers? Okay, saying that thank you for using my hashtag. We are glad you're enjoying our product. And you can feel free to use loyal 10 for new collection that we're launching. Okay, and you can set up. So as soon as someone will use this Nike US anywhere on Instagram or Meta, they will get automatic message in their inbox, either on Instagram DM or on Facebook Messenger or both. Okay, only on Messenger. This is only for Messenger. And you can see like this. You can also add a button. Let's say add a button. You can also add a media. You can also add a product image. Okay. Let's say you can say, I want to add a media. Okay. And I want to maybe add this. Okay. You can add a media. You can also add a button. Let's say shop or access the sale now. And what is your e-commerce, whatever your website is, e-commerce store and sale. You can see. So if you save it, okay, and you do this, as soon as someone do this, this will action will trigger and you will be shown a video, an image like this, and this button will be also shown. Okay, if I save it, it will automatically be initiated. So you can create automations here also, right? Okay, there's a question by Roxanne based on the hashtags. Are you able to track the analytics based on that? Yes, you can track everything on Meta. So you can see how many people are actually using this. You can all track all those metrics, Roxanne. Okay. Okay. So yes, so chatbot is something very, very interesting. Okay. You also try Skype and WhatsApp integration. Okay. Now again, guys, you can also comment to a message. You can put it on. That means you have already enabled this and you need to change it. I'll not enable this. Also, there's another, the last thing I'm going to talk about was, okay. Another is, for example, have you seen these kind of reels that if I'm promoting my, let's say, new spring collection is out now. Okay, if you're someone, or maybe I'm a digital marketer, I say, I created a reel on Instagram, reel. And I say, hey, I'm launching a new course and I'm, teaching my first 5 people I've given my first 5 no people so and so in the webinar. If you want to access my ebook, comment ebook in the comment section below. As soon as the ebook comment has come, I will send you the ebook in your inbox. How can I do that? Okay, so I have created a custom keyword ebook trigger. Okay, so that means anytime someone comes to my reel, okay, or comes to my messenger and uses ebook as a ebook, you also use variation spelling mistakes. Okay, ebook, you can say, this is my reel, go to my messenger, type ebook, I will reply you back and give you the ebook access. So if somebody types ebook in spelling mistake, because a lot of people do spelling mistake also, so use this. As soon as someone types this in your messenger, you can send them a message, hey, it seems you want to learn more about ChatGPT prompts. As promised, please access your ebook here, and you can send them like this. So also this kind of automation you also can create. Okay, so use these things to personalize your offerings. Now, the third tool which you use for personalization is A/B testing. Okay, A/B testing means that you create 2 versions of a web page. How do we do A/B testing? That I'll teach you in the AIDM master if you join the AIDM sessions. Okay. However, what is A/B testing? I create 2 versions of my homepage. Let's say if I'm coming here, if I am making you, let's say I created a website. Okay, so there's the one homepage. Another homepage, I can get another version of this homepage. Then I'll see which version of homepage is leading to more engagements, more conversions, more interactions, and so on. Okay, so this is called A/B testing, and that can also be used to personalize the content and so on. So that's all, guys. That's all from my side.